Figured out that faith is not up there, that it's inside of me. Act with execution, what's a plan with zero action? Faced with bad habits, knowing it's a magnet to my imbalance. I'm somewhere between confidence and arrogance. The middle ground is treacherous, I work on getting out of it. Pops is looking down, I feel him every time the sun shines. Back to being unsigned, I only got my bloodline. With me going forward, smoking cookie till we dumb high. I heard you taking shots, we pulled up on them, they was gun shy. 2 p.m. in Rome, we at the chapel eating sun-dried tomatoes and a plum wine. Life been like a movie, I don't know how long the run time. Hope it's an extended cut, but when I died, I load my consciousness onto a thumb drive. And upload it to the masses when I'm past. All my sets is holographic, life's as real as you imagine. My Jewish girl was tight, cause I ain't link on the Sabbath. But it's Friday and I got a few robins I need a bask in. Playing traffic, if you wanna play the faction. We don't act, we getting active, stacking cash and dodging taxes. My father was a Catholic, never taught me how to practice. But with music, I'm a Baptist. Chris and all these fucking tracks I bless these raps with. Standing in the middle of the march, both sides caving on the drive. Praying to my pops and the guys. God, please help me out. Can you spare me for once? Hey, yeah. Can you spare me for once? Hey, I ain't asking for much. No.
We watch history. We make history. And one day we become it. Drop some buckets and then we take the bucket. Just trying to reach the peak before I finally plummet.
Standing in the middle of the march, both sides caving on the drive. Praying to my pops and the guys. God, please help me out. Can you spare me for once? Hey, yeah. Can you spare me for once? Hey, I ain't asking for much. No. Hey, nowadays the pain follow me. Deal with trauma privately. I don't wanna be a burden, I handle things defiantly. Spent a decade searching for a higher power guiding me. Figured out that faith is not up there, that it's inside of me. Act with execution, what's a plan with zero action? Faced with bad habits, knowing it's a magnet to my imbalance. I'm somewhere between confidence and arrogance. The middle ground is treacherous, I work on getting out of it. Pops is looking down, I feel him every time the sun shines. Back to being unsigned, I only got my bloodline. With me going forward, smoking cookie till we dumb high. I heard you taking shots, we pulled up on them, they was gun shy. 2 p.m. in Rome, we at the chapel eating sun-dried tomatoes and a plum wine. Life been like a movie, I don't know how long the run time. Hope it's an extended cut, but when I died, I load my consciousness onto a thumb drive. And upload it to the masses when I'm past. All my sets is holographic, life's as real as you imagine. My Jewish girl was tight, cause I ain't link on the Sabbath. But it's Friday and I got a few robins I need a bask in. Playing traffic, if you wanna play the faction. We don't act, we getting active, stacking cash and dodging taxes. My father was a Catholic, never taught me how to practice. But with music, I'm a Baptist. Chris and all these fucking tracks I bless these raps with. Standing in the middle of the march, both sides caving on the drive. Praying to my pops and the guys. God, please help me out. Can you spare me for once? Hey, yeah. Can you spare me for once? Hey, I ain't asking for much. No.
We watch history. We make history.
What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to another edition of the Trader Shop with me, T. Hobbs. And of course, you know, I got my man Jay Seals in the building. What's going on, brother?
What's up, everybody?
It is a Monday morning, July the 15th. We are halfway through the month of July. The market basically decided it was going to go crazy. And you guys know we're here to cover it. We're here to break down our pre-market plan for both the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, and the Dow Jones today. You can see I am standing today because I told myself I was going to try to get moving, you know what I mean, get the blood pressure going. I still got a chair behind me, and when I sit down, I'll be changing camera angles. But for now, I'm gonna try standing and just like keeping my screen nice and unblurred because I feel like it just gives a clearer picture. So let me know in the comments if you guys like it. If you hate it, it is what it is. But that being said, please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button. Turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. 3 ways that you can help the channel. I just told you one. The second way, you can go and watch all the videos on the channel that Justin puts out. He is making prop firm education videos, giving you guys everything you need to know about these prop firms. He's taking suggestions on videos he can make for prop firms, and he has affiliate code for each one of those prop firms if you choose to use them, such as My Funded Futures, Apex, Top Step, well, not Top Step anymore, but pretty much all of the most popular ones, right? Last but not least, if you guys are interested in joining the Discord, learning how we trade, being educated in the market, learning market structure, supply and demand, and or order flow with a little bit of ICT spice sprinkled in throughout the Discord, joining a strong community and just helping you on your journey, you guys are more than welcome to join the Discord link. It is a paid Discord, however, it's $15 per week. It is $40 per month, and the price will continue to increase as our journey gets more at a premium level. I'll never hide that fact from you. I'm a freaking capitalist. If you don't like it, just don't pay. It's that simple. But if you do, you're more than welcome to join us. That being said, let's jump right into the pre-market plan. Justin, how was your weekend? What did you get into? What did you study? What did you do?
My weekend was pretty chill. I mainly just focused on psychology. Oh my God, this market's about to rip again. I mainly just focused on trading psychology, and then after my Friday, I really had to go back and just work on my psychology. My strategy's good, just more so of getting over some things. So, was working on that, and then obviously, was in the Discord reviewing the game film for last week. So, definitely know what mistakes I made. Definitely know some mistakes that I made, but it's all good. New week, and so time to get going. So, yeah.
No doubt, man. Let's get to work. Let's get busy. Well, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to everybody in the chat. Good morning, Boyd. Good morning, Trading Yoga Girl. And good morning, John, and everybody else who is being so rude not to even speak. Yo, mama, where y'all learn y'all manners at? You come into the shop, you're supposed to say hello to the barbers, man. Just kidding. Yeah, well, standing desk looks much more better. Oh, you like to stand? I mean, I've always had a standing desk. I have 2. I've just never actually brought them up. I cleaned my office this weekend. I was talking to my son. I was like, you know what? Let's try to change the camera angle, because anytime I move or do anything, like, he's kind of like my little producer, right? So we moved the desk up, and I just realized I had more leg space. Like, even when I'm sitting down, it just feels more comfortable when the desk is raised. So I'm gonna move some plugs around later today so I can raise it up a little higher so that I can have everything in front of me. Right now, I'm still looking down at the 3 screens below me, and the 1 screen above me is in my face, but this can raise up about 6 feet. So I'm gonna raise it up a little higher. I actually like this. I didn't know how I would like it in regards to streaming, but I actually really like it. So, and then maybe I'll just bring my stool chair.
Next is gonna get a treadmill. That way.
Oh yeah, they have it. I'm definitely getting a treadmill. I told my wife that's what I want for Christmas. They got the little fold-away treadmills. Mm-hmm. It's just the platform without the extra stuff. That way I can do my walk, and I never have to leave the room, right? I can bring my weights in here. I got my pull-up bar.
He's gonna be sitting. He's gonna be like, I'm going long now, hitting the button.
All right, clearly the Discord is against me getting a treadmill, but I'm definitely getting one.
I'm getting short here. Oh my god. he's gonna be he's every time he takes a loss, he's gonna bump the treadmill up to run. He's gonna sit here. I lost, guys. Right. I gotta run a mile real fast.
Enough. We're done. All right. Let's get into the market, man. You know, as per usual, ladies and gentlemen, we break down the market for you guys. I hope it's really helping you. I know that some of the Discord members are really growing. A lot of the Discord members are growing. I'm loving the growth in the Discord, but I hope that you guys are growing on YouTube as well, right? So first and foremost, we talked about the 4-hour and the daily candles, right? So if you look at the daily candles, we only got this one big aggressive bearish candle right here, but it was followed by a sweep of this low, which was very important for us in the Discord because we looked back in time and we said, okay, if we were truly going to be bearish, why would we stop right here, right? Essentially, this is the range from the previous week, right? June 20th or I don't know, June 17th. Like we literally stopped directly at that Thursday high, right? Once we saw that, we said, okay, let's zoom out to the weekly time frame, right? Let's zoom out to the weekly time frame and see how that level correlates, right? Essentially, what that level is showing us is that we take Fibonacci retracement and we go with the 66%, 50%, and 33%. It's basically a third of the weekly candle that we're tapping into. That's not really that bearish. Even though if you're looking at it on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, right, it looks super bearish, but it's just one candle. In the grand scheme of things, the monthly still looks very bullish. The weekly still looks very bullish. The daily is starting to look even more bullish. Therefore, when we start to look at this on the 4-hour time frame, we also are looking at this with bullish eyes. Doesn't mean that we're only looking to be bullish, but basically that's been working. So why the fuck not? Okay. Things to note, however, this aggressive bearish candle came down and it swept through 1, 2, 3, almost 4 different swings. After the market pushes down that aggressively, sometime we like to pull into kind of a resting period, right? An exhaustive range is what we like to call it, right? Essentially, that's what we're in on the higher time frame between the 2 4-hour supply and the 4-hour demand. We printed the exact same candle essentially on the back end of the supply zone or the supply zone that we did on the demand zone. So if we're doing this on a higher time frame, then we anticipate that same thing happening on a lower time frame, which brings me to my analysis on the day. So let me go ahead and break that out, and then I'll take off a couple of things so it's not so messy. Take this off and I'll take this off. Okay. Let me get some different music so I'm not talking over lyrics in my ear because this dude is spitting. But I want to like sing them right here. Here, we'll get the instrumental version of that. There we go. All right, so now current conditions, range. We are inside of a range of bullish retracement. Essentially, we had this bearish candle come down, but we're still into bullish character. Therefore, this is a bullish retracement of the range. So we're looking at this as being bullish above 507, essentially the low of this range, and bearish below 741. So I'm looking to short the highs, long the lows, as long as we're in this micro range, right? If we break out to the macro, then the plan is as follows. Bearish, I'm looking to short weak rallies into 4-hour supply at 822.50 through 983. And I want to target first the previous day high at 741 because that's just a quick scout. If we can get lower than that, then I'm looking for the bottom of the range at 572.505. Second bearish plan is as we start to come up, as you guys know, midnight price is down here. So that's pretty much going to be my target. Midnight London lows. So I would like to see the market tap into the top of the range at 677.50 through 741 and look to target the bottom of the range at 572.505. Since we're talking about the bottom of the range, my bullish plan on the day is I have a couple. My first bullish plan is when we get back down here, I'm looking for the market to tap into this range, right? So that I can look to long between 572 and 505. And we could look to long the market targeting the top of the range at 680.75 and then obviously 822.75 if we start going really bullish back to the extremes. To the extreme low, again, this doesn't mean this is the last time I'm looking to be bullish. It's just where I see at the current moment. I'm looking for buyers to defend the 4-hour demand at 20,448 33675. I want to look to long the market, targeting the 4-hour supply, obviously targeting daily fib first, the low of the range, right? And then the high of the range, then previous day high, and then 4-hour supply, using these areas that we passed through on the way down as targets on the way back up. So those are my thoughts on the NASDAQ. I'll pass it to Justin so he can break down the ES plan for those that will be participating on the ES side.
Which is probably like nobody. Hold on, I gotta. This. All right, there we go. Jesus Christ, I was struggling right there. My Discord, it always anytime I get a notification, it always pulls it up, and then I have a hard time getting it down. But anyway, all right, so ES and NQ are pretty much the same, honestly. We had a really nasty sell-off to end the day. So as long as we're not, or as long as we're within this range between this 1 hour supply zone and then the low of 5660, I want to overall be bullish, especially after the bullish day that we had. I want to see if bulls can defend and continue to push back up. Structurally, we weren't able to hold above the all-time high, so that is a little bit bearish. So for me, as if we come back up and retest 570175, I want to look to short the market if there is weakness there. But this will be a little bit lower quality just because of the fact that we are in an overall uptrend, and shorts don't last as long, so it would just be a scalp. But if we can get above this 1 hour, then I'm looking for continuation and continue to push to new all-time highs. But I want to retest of this prior supply area to look to long the market just to get the best risk to reward. I don't want to try to long the breakout, but if we come back and retest, I'd be open to longing the market. And then within this range, I'm looking to long the market once the structure breaks back up into the supply zone. And if we get below 5660 and we look very, very bearish, that's when I think we'll get continuations to the downside. So I'd be looking to short the market once we do finally break this area, because this will basically be the market putting in that double top to go lower. So we just kind of have to wait and see there. Overall, though, the other thing that I noticed was on the VIX, we got a nasty wick candle on the VIX, which I think is pretty interesting. And the VIX is already starting to rally, so could be a cause for concern for the bear or for the bulls, that we may want to look to go bearish on the day. Just something to watch, and definitely an interesting indicator. I think this entire time, the VIX has not made a new high in the market for a while. So if the VIX can put in a new high today, after basically running the lows and getting bought back up, that'll be very, very, very bullish or bearish for the market. So see what happens.
Yeah, we tried to make we made one on Thursday, and then we just swept it right away. So I'm looking at this area, like you said, as either a reversal point on the VIX or just more downside. We are getting, like you said, we are getting a little speed. I'm also watching the YM here for shorts between 540 and 617. I think the YM has an opportunity to come back down and fill the gap back down to 327 on the 5-minute chart. You guys are watching that as well. But all right, so let's go ahead and pull the cork off. I knew it was gonna happen. I knew we were gonna get this question, so let's go ahead and pull the cork off. So some amazing events, some very, very rare and interesting events happened this weekend, and I mean, I guess we got to talk about it, right? Because I mean, we trade the stock market, right? Like, I don't care for politics. I just don't. I think in this day and age, it's just become extremely childish and very, very non-professional. So I don't care for politics either way. And if we're gonna make this a political situation, I will refrain from my opinion. However, the question that is on board, I will respond to, which is, Boyd says, thoughts on what happened this weekend? Do you think the market will go risk on or risk off? So anytime there's drama, that creates uncertainty, right? In a sense, it doesn't mean it's bullish or bearish. However, think about what uncertainty does, right? Fear, uncertainty, and doubt is something that we used to talk about in crypto a lot, like FUD, right? A assassination attempt doesn't necessarily mean good or bad because nothing really happened to the person in question. He's not the president, right? Like, it doesn't really matter, but the question is, who doesn't it matter to? Like, it makes people uneasy, right? That's all the market needs, is just a little bit of uncertainty. And it starts to make people sell a little bit, right? So my thought process is it could increase volatility, because when people start to sell, that's what brings the volatility index up. I still think the market's going to remain in structure, right? It could just speed up the structure that we're currently in. It's kind of good that we're in a range and we're getting this volatility, because we'll have enough buyers at the lows and enough sellers at the highs to balance out everything. I think that this could potentially increase the volatility, but honestly, nothing's been able to stop these bulls so far. So I just don't think that anything's going to stop it, to be honest. I think it could increase the volatility short term, but I think that there's nothing to stopping this train from going. So those are my thoughts. What are your thoughts, Jake?
I don't think it matters, to be honest with you. Like, if he would have died, I think that may have changed some things. But I mean, I think we're pretty certain that he's not dead, and that, you know, I think, like, from a political climate standpoint, it's not good for America. But from a stock market standpoint, it don't matter to people. Like, this is just another day for all the rest of the stock market traders. I think we'll I think it helped some stocks. Clearly it helped, right? And some stocks response, it helped. One stock to be clearly watching is Tesla on the day. If Tesla rallies because of the news, because of all the what Elon has done, that could affect the S&P and the NASDAQ.
For his support in Trump, on Trump.
Mm-hmm, yeah, because it's already up like $10 right now in the pre-market.
Yeah, I didn't even think about that.
So Tesla's a name to watch for the NASDAQ and the ES today. If it gets going, that could really push the market higher. Other than that, though, I don't think there's too much other things in the stock market that's really gonna change. I would just keep an eye on Tesla for the next couple of days and to kind of see what it decides to do. But yeah, I think, like Hobbs is saying, structure stays the same. I think the volatility will probably stay the same. I think everything will stay the same. It's just Tesla to watch. So that's my opinion.
Yeah, I'd agree with that. I think it could be interesting. It doesn't matter. Tokyo session would suggest otherwise. I mean, maybe.
The rally on Tokyo was pretty regular.
I mean, even before Trump's attempted assassination on Saturday, we said that the market could probably pull back or go back up, right? Like, we were talking in the Discord on Saturday, right? I mean, if Tokyo would have rallied aggressively or dumped aggressively, it didn't. I mean, they just slowly bought it up, right? Like, nothing really changed. So
yeah,
that's why I said it doesn't really matter.
The only thing that got really affected was crypto. Crypto pumped.
Yeah, crypto definitely adjusted.
That's the only thing. Yeah. I'll tell you all this: if the market was open when it happened, then the market might have dumped. Maybe. But because the market was closed, I mean, people already got their certainty, right? Like, people already got everything that they needed to know from the situation. So I don't expect I don't expect nothing to come of it, really. I mean, not from the stock market standpoint.
Yeah. And then Jen, good morning, Ibom. He says, good morning. I hope everyone stays safe. Over the weekend we did. And then Jen 33, just rewind back about 15 minutes, man. We go through the entire plan. I don't necessarily have a bias. I have a plan to trade bearish or bullish depending on where the market is. But if you're winding back like maybe 5 minutes, in the first 10 minutes we go through that. Just rewind it and play it on fast speed. Like, we went through the entire plan. We don't wish harm on anyone, but we as traders, we got to position ourselves for yeah. I mean, again, like I said, there's at the end of the day, if you understand structure, the market's gonna either follow. The market's gonna follow structure. So the only thing that news does, whether it's unexpected or expected, is it speeds up that process, right? Like, that sequence gets rapidly sped up, right? Because of the volatility or the amount of participants in the market, right? Like, that's what happens when you get volatility, right? But if you understand structure, just play the structure, right? Like, it is what it is. And like I said, if you were playing stocks, meme stocks, like, I think there's a DJT stock that's out there that everybody's talking about on YouTube, as soon as that happened, like live streams went up about DJT, videos started dropping about DJT. Like if that's what you're into, then yeah, like you should definitely be paying attention to this fundamental news. But from a macro perspective, like it's either going to move the market or it's not, right? We'll see at open how bullish. I mean, the market looks extremely bullish right now. So I don't see a reason. I see a reason for us to pull back, maybe retap midnight price, come back down for fair value, and then continue higher. I don't see a reason for us to just go crazy because Trump got his ear shot or whatever it is. I don't know. I know one thing. What this does do is it creates beautiful and awesome memes. Like Twitter and the internet is undefeated when it comes to memes. Like I've just been scrolling through watching the memes like this. These people are crazy. It's freaking hilarious though. Ain't no problem, Jen. Yeah, I go through the plan with the Discord in the morning, and then we go through the entire plan over again on YouTube. So it just becomes repetitive. So once we record it, I'd rather just send you there. It's just easier. My question is, everyone know Trump going to win Grand Slam? If we were the big guys in the market, how would we position ourselves for the next rally? I mean, that's tough because we're already at like what we consider, like what I consider the high, we're already there, right? Like, I mean, not really. I mean, I think we can go up another 3,000 points on the NASDAQ, but I would assume that the big players would want a small pullback prior to any change in presidency, right? Like, but you know, maybe I'm wrong. I don't know, man. I can't answer that because I've never been a big player in the market. Like I'm still trading prop firms and shit, you know. You know, so that's how I would look at it. That's a good question, though. Keep them going. Let me draw a midnight prices. I don't think I drew it on YM 370, I think. Yeah, 370.
See if we come down.
We should really get you one of these standing chairs, man. It's pretty cool, man.
I have a standing desk. It's upstairs, though. I don't have enough room.
Did I say standing chair? I meant desk.
Yeah, that's an oxymoron. Right. I have a standing chair. I guess I could stand in my chair if you want me to.
All right, before we get started, I gotta go to the restroom real quick. I'll be right back. Be right back, guys. Mm-hmm.
I'm just thinking about your question, Boyd. I don't know. You know, if he wins, a lot of people think the stock market's gonna go crazy, but maybe short term it might. But I actually think that it might not be. It might not go as crazy as people thinks it may go. To be honest with you, it may not be as crazy as you might think. Maybe to start out, but I don't know. I have a sneaky suspicion that the stock market might not go as crazy. I think what people forget about the Trump presidency is that when the stock market went nuts, it was because of them cutting interest rates due to COVID and the people having a lot of extra money for to invest, right? Crypto was going crazy, which was like kind of a brand new asset class at the time that was going nuts and people was making crazy amounts of money on crypto. The meme stocks were going crazy and people were getting stimulus checks that they really actually, a lot of them didn't even need it. Like, I mean, I got stimulus checks. I didn't need them. I was still working. My wife was still working, right? A lot of people still had jobs when they got stimulus checks. They had all this extra money and people were throwing it in the stock market. Robinhood was new and big. You know what I'm saying? So to be honest, it was kind of a right condition for the market to pump. And I don't know if it was necessarily Trump that did the pumping, so to speak. So, you know, I'm a little skeptical when it comes to a maintained Trump pump, if that makes sense. I'm just saying I'm a little skeptical. Like a lot of people think that he's gonna pump the market. I actually don't. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. A lot of people had a lot of extra money that they don't have anymore. So I don't actually know if I think the conditions were right for the stock market to pump. I don't know if it happens a second time. I think a lot of people are banking that for their pockets, but I mean, there was a lot of other factors at play than just Trump being in office. Because you got to remember, like the first 2 years that he was in office before COVID, the market wasn't going crazy. The market wasn't even on most people's radar. Most people's radar got put into the market because of AMC, GameStop, crypto, and the fact they had extra money because of COVID. So, well, just a thought, something to think about.
Well, I also think that his tax plans also play a major part in the pumping of the market, because his tax plans are mainly focused on the bigger players, right? He saves them a lot of money by cutting their taxes, right? So if they don't pay corporate taxes, they have more money to spend inside of their own stock, right? To grow the market, right? And then he puts less taxes on the wealthy, right? And then he takes away, he tries to lower the whatchamacallit tax, right? The capital gains tax, right? So that's a huge factor as well, right? It's not, I would say COVID and stimulus checks have a big part in retail being involved in the stock market. But the people that are actually moving the stock market, they don't care about retail and AMC. AMC is not what pumped the market. It's what created more retail interest. But at that time, the big stocks were sending. That had everything to do with policy, right? And that, I believe that's what moves the market is the policy for the wealthy.
I agree with that. Yeah, a lot of the well, I think a lot of the policies of COVID probably help with that. Them easing restrictions and that sort of thing. Yeah, I agree with that 1,000%.
Well, the policy of COVID is not the same thing as the policy that I'm referring to. I'm talking about the tax policy.
No. I know, but I'm saying, like, they made it really cheap for businesses to borrow money during the COVID. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. That I would agree with. They definitely changed a lot of things during COVID that gave businesses a huge advantage. I mean, not to mention the amount of bailouts that were happening for the airlines, for like everything was sending. Like it had no choice. Like the money printer was at full capacity during COVID. Right. So there's so much. It was just the perfect storm, in my opinion.
No. Well, I don't know. With Trump, anything's possible. He could fire Powell and put the money printer right back to where it was.
Yeah.
You never know. Yeah, you never know. He could turn that light switch right back on in a heartbeat. Market is open, everybody. I want us to come down so I can long this right back up. Agree. Bro, the true winner this weekend is 50 Cent. Everyone streamed the song Many Men.
Jesus. The Dow is on, bro.
Great point, Jay. Never thought of that. Yeah. Woo, good Lord.
This shit gone, bro. This shit gone. I want to short
Dow
it up here,
Jones. What a rejection though on NQ.
I'm trading Dow. I like where it is inside of the supply zone. No, I haven't left yet. But that's why I'm trying to get the one that's set up for me right now. My tape is just frozen on NQ. So I don't know what the fuck's going on over there. What's NQ doing this morning?
It's selling down right now. It's about to break this low. We're done at Panther Pride.
Yep, just like I thought. That's why I was in no rush.
Trump stopped the Fed
I
from
did
cutting
take a
rates in order to
short
keep
on
prices
YM
moving up
though.
steady.
I took shorts on YM at 563. I'm gonna let that ride down to midnight. My target for the day.
There we go. Market coming back up.
Yeah, if not, I'll take the loss on the morning.
Trump.
All right, I'll be back, guys.
Raise rates in order to facilitate a bear sell. I bomb. How they gonna rate? They've already raised rates. What are you talking about? Trump probably stopped them from raising rates, but they've already raised rates. They're trying to cut. They're gonna cut the rates here pretty soon. They've already raised rates. What are you talking about? The rates were during COVID. The rates there were no interest rates. The interest not interest. There were interest rates, but they cut the rates the Fed rates to 0. That's why interest rates were so low. They've already raised the rates. That's what they've been doing. They've been doing the rate hikes. Unless you mean the opposite, they're going to be cutting rates. The rate cut should make us more bearish, not bullish. Right now, we're just consolidating at this low, but we did break this. We did break the next high, so kind of interested to see what happens here. Oh Lord. You have to look at things that are facilitating inflation. Yeah, the things that the thing that facilitated inflation was COVID. COVID and the amount of stimulus they gave everybody. That's what facilitated inflation. All right, the market is pushing right now. He held that low pretty nicely. Let me see what the stocks are doing. See what VIX is doing. VIX is pretty steady. Nvidia's taking off right now. Apple's trying to take off. Jesus Christ, Google is moving, and everything's pumping to the upside right now. Everything pumping. Crypto is dumping right now. Oh, well, you can't trust the 1 minute on crypto. Are you trading prop BTC futures or something? No. That's why I'm doing right now. Why I'm looking hella bearish after the first 5 minutes. Jesus. Or indecisive. I go indecisive right now. Yes, looking pretty strong to the upside. And Q took some highs. And Q is dancing right now. Got a lot of selling coming in here at 10. See if it breaks. What's up? Right now, we're holding these lows. I wish I would have done it for the day if Apex wasn't going to be... Oh, is Apex still down? Is anybody trading with Apex right now? Is Apex still down? I'll read it. Well, actually, it's fine. Me and wife, who is an economist, have looked at the numbers. Her emphasis is in the stats. She has shown me where they have cooked the books, hence why they keep revising the stats quite. Inflation is high. Yeah, inflation is high. I agree with that. That's why they have not cut rates. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's true. I mean, inflation's coming down though. I think, but I mean, prices will never come down, right? Like the price of goods will stay the same. Like inflation is a permanent effect, right? So it shouldn't, like, we won't really see a price drop, but we want to see the inflation come down though. As far as like the actual inflation number, cutting rates would create an even larger inflation run. Yeah, I would agree with that. I'd agree with that for sure. Which is why they haven't cut them, right? Apex is not allowing me to place trades, stating trading halted. Yeah, we heard about that in the Discord, Dr. JC. That's why I was asking, because one of our Discord members was just talking about Apex not being able to trade still currently. By the way, wait. I got in the longs. I'm long at 20,016. I'm up about I don't know, good amount of points right now. Well, not a great amount of points, but I'm up fairly decently right now. Looking for us to go back to 20,667. So right now I'm looking at 50 potentially holding. But yeah, I'm in long from 2017. Might take a trim up here though. Ooh, we pushing, baby. We pushing, baby. Yeah, we're looking very, very nice right now. I'm gonna go ahead and go to break even. We're at these highs. Still like we want to push. I think what was it earlier? 20. Oh no. Oh yeah, 20. I think we might want to go to 20,737. That's where I think we might want to go. But I'm not entirely sure. But that's gonna be my target. Oops, we are quickly approaching. We are quickly approaching. All right, so we just broke that high. We're almost at 90-minute supply here. I'm just trying to squeeze profit at this point. Every time we come up, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and take 2 off there. All right, I just took 2 off there at the high. We just tapped that supply zone, kind of got rejected. So I just took 2 contracts off there, And then now I'm just gonna try to just hold on to this runner. Like I said, my entry was 20,017, so that was almost 50 points right there. 20,617, sorry, was my entry. God is being quiet. We currently have China sell off. Are you trading YM? Mike, are you trying to trade YM today? YM has less stocks in it, and they're more industrial stocks, right? So if NQ is pumping, then that could cause YM to sell off because the industrials are pretty much like the inverse of tech. So think about it like that. We'll come back down. YM also has better, more structure than NQ and ES do above. This is not looking too good. This pullback is serious. I'm only one contract though. I already took profit up at that high, so this wants to stop me out for break even. That's fine, which it looks like it's going to. All right, there it goes. Stopped out on that last contract. Jesus Christ! Wow. That was an extremely bearish candle right there. That one candle took out the that one candle took out that entire rally. One selling candle took out that entire like 5-minute push of buying. Good Lord. It's all good though. Now some cushion. That was extremely bearish. Thank you. We currently have China selling off their U.S. Treasury holdings, is what I mean. Thinking faster than I can type. Oh, yeah. That's because China and Russia are like on a mission to sink the U.S. dollar. And I think it's working pretty nicely too. This is extremely bearish right now. Holy. Oh my God. We came up to that supply zone. I'm glad I took some profit right there. I'm really glad I took some profit because I'd have been real upset if I would have held on to that entire position and not taken anything. That'd have been. Yeah. I'd have been pretty upset if I would have taken anything up there. That was. Whew, I did not see this coming. Thought we were going to continue pushing. All right, cool. So the market is definitely selling down pretty aggressively right here. Definitely, we broke the low. We're coming down. We almost tapped supply and got meanly rejected. Good Lord. Yeah, I see that. We also have the band a little bit below that as well. Let's see. Yeah, Nvidia took a nosedive. So did Apple. Yeah, why is that VWAP though? And at the low and holding. Let's see what it does. ES just got a really nice rejection candle too. Whew, Jesus. What short squeeze? What short squeeze great call taking some profit? Yeah. Those shorts came in aggressively. Good Lord. I thought we were gonna get a pullback there. I didn't think we were in a whole sell-off. Yeah, we definitely changed right there. All right, let's see what we do. Let's see what we do. Right now, if we can come back up and wait, this is not right. There we go. If we come back up to 20,636.25, I'll look and see if I can't get bearish here. Now that we've broken through all of that structure, looks like we want to come down lower. Shorts would have definitely been the move, but the scalp long was cool too. I thought we were at least going to get up that liquidity, though. Oh, you know what? Oh, no, it's still up there. All right, let's see what we do. What's this? All right, here come these bulls coming right back up. Every asset's taking souls. Gold too choppy. Is gold chopping? Let's see. Yeah, gold's pretty choppy. Gold bounced off my demand zone overnight though. Held really nicely. Or I don't know where I got this level from, but I do know where I got the level from. It held really nicely. Right at 3 o'clock in the morning, though. I wasn't up to trade it. YM is flushing right now. If we got into YM shorts, good on you. ES is coming back up, though. So is NQ. All right, we're coming back up pretty bullishly right now. I don't really see a reason to short this just yet. Man, these candles back up are aggressive. This is not financial advice. Buying gold as a hedge is what a lot of wealthy people are doing to protect against bank runs. BRICS countries have been buying gold to hedge against dollar devaluation. Yeah, that's actually really smart. I know a money advisor who's been buying gold, and it's funny because his wife his wife thought he was crazy, but now he don't look so crazy. Now he don't look so crazy. Oh my God. This market. How are we looking on YM? About as you get short on YM? Nah, let's get short. Get short. Very good short. Yeah, it's going to the downside for sure. I think there was still an opportunity to get into YM though. Nah, there was definitely an opportunity to get into YM, but YM. Yeah, special group. Yeah.
Oh man, let's go.
Yeah, I watched the XY chart. It's holding by a hair. If it's low,
Woo!
it's over. Yeah.
You printing? Okay, all right. Bro, I added to that joint in the car. I said, "Oh, you gonna come back up here?" I bet. Yeah, it logged me out because I was on my I got in on my phone, but I guess I'm logged in too many places, so I'm trying to log back in right now.
Yeah, you can only log in on one device at a time.
So I'm trying to log out of my phone, but it keeps kicking me out on the computer. Yeah, I'm up 1,200 on this thing. This thing is printing. Damn, I should have traded my fucking shit.
Yeah, we're definitely. This is definitely tough right now on NQ. NQ's not bringing a lower low here.
You're scared? It's all good. Yeah, it takes time. It takes time. No fucking hesitation for me. I was like, okay, all right. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Can't be afraid to lose that shit. What's up, Jay? You long?
Nah, I already got out. I already got out of the longs.
Okay. Let's go. It's one and done today, huh? All right. Okay. All right. I'm short by him. You better not be long by him right now. You better not be long by him like that. You'll be in trouble. Yeah.
Yeah, we still look weak. We still look weak up here.
Hey Jay, you want to bring your mic a little closer to you? It's kind of hard to hear you.
Oh, my bad.
It's like an echo. There you go. Yeah, my target is 375, 370 on these, but if we keep coming down super bearish, I'm just gonna hold them. I tried to get out of one position and I added one on accident, but I still like the ad, so I'm just gonna keep it. So now I'm in 3 mini contracts right now on the combine. But looks good. It's an accident. It's an accident, but it's a good accident.
It's an accident, but it's a good one.
Yeah, it's a good accident. Yeah, because I thought about I almost panicked and sold it right away, but I was like, I mean, the 15-minute looks really good, so I'll sell two at midnight though. I get out of 2 positions at 370.
Dang.
Let them cook, baby.
NQ is really struggling to get back above this 50%, but
Come here to fuck around. But
yeah, it really is fighting right now.
come on.
Stocks going.
I'm gonna get out of 2 positions here. I think that's a smart position. Wait.
It looks like Nvidia and Apple are bottoming out and coming back up. So
let it ride, baby. Dumping shit, like yeah. Come on. Come on, like you got it in you, girl. Come on, what? See, this is where I need to watch the tape. I'm gonna switch over to YN's tape for a second, guys. I need to see what we got down here. This is where the tape can really help me. Oh yeah, we're looking extremely bearish. Okay. All right, yeah, I think we're good. I think we're okay. Okay. 3 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. Trade is managed pretty well here. Stops are in profit. Can't lose on the trade. Pretty much done for the day on this one. Just waiting to see if we can hit our profit target. We'll take at the close of this 15-minute candle, I think I'm gonna take 2 contracts off. I might take them now. I'm gonna take them now. I'll take 2 contracts off. All right, I sell 2 positions. I'm only in 1 runner. You can see the runner sucks because of where I bought the last contract. So this is gonna be really trashy when I show you this image. But this is not my actual entry, right? Like this is where I bought the last contract. So you can see that the market takes your highest position, right? So now I'm only risking, just the 1 mini, but I took the majority of the profits off the table, right? But you can see how the market took 2 of my highest positions, right? And it gave me the fill. It left the fill from the last position. But because we're coming down so aggressively, I'm cool with it. I'll absorb the risk of this 40 ticks. It's not really that much money compared to what I just made, right? So now I'm just gonna let this ride out, and I'll risk $150 of the profits that I just took. Malik, you're unmuted. You're unmuted. Malik, you're hot micing. Malik, you're hot micing. Mm-hmm. Hey, y'all see, I gave him a strike 1 and 2, right? Y'all heard it, right? Yeah, I guess he was on strike 2. I was like, all right, that's 2. What? 2? All right, wait. I really just want to mute Malik just to piss him off at this point. What you get into this morning, Jay? You got some longs?
I got into the longs. I'm in short right now, but I'm not feeling the greatest about this short. Just how we're trading right now.
Yeah.
I think I might cut this. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this.
I'm not gonna give anything back on this trade either. I'm gonna go to break even, and just because of my secondary fill, I got the majority of the money out of the trade, so I'm gonna go to break even on this last runner. And if they come back up, I'll just reposition myself. Right? There's no need to give up any money. Like fuck that. What for? Right? So if they knock me out, I'll take 2 ticks on this last runner. It was kind of an accident anyway, so I'll just manage it like that. Honestly, I was just happy to be in profit when I came back because I told myself, I kind of broke a rule. I told myself I wasn't going to trade, but YM was set up so perfectly. Oh shit, they can knock me out. I'm still. Come on, push down. If we can get this to print on this accidental runner, I'd be so happy. I don't think it's going to though. There's no way this thing's gonna. No way they're gonna flush it. Come on, YM. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Good morning, Prayer Kid. I think a reversal's incoming, 9 to 10:30 window. Yeah.
My whole computer. Oh, they flushed it. Oh, what's up?
Huh? Oh,
I
bumped into there's a reversal.
Come on.
We're just chilling in this area right now on NQ. I'm holding longs with 20,076 after first TP, 20,709. We'll leave a runner at third TP. How long at 20,679? Oh no, you're holding long.
Shouldn't have cut my original position, man. But that's gonna haunt me.
Gotcha. Yeah, I'm glad I got out of that short.
I should have held to midnight. That's all right. We were in at 576 or 563 originally, and then I added up in the 580 range. So our total was 571, and we got all out at 446. I mean, I'm not gonna be upset with 112 ticks. I just know I could have got more. So I'll mark that as something I'll review for this Saturday. And the biggest thing I think that made me cut it was once I realized that my runner was basically down at the bottom. I hated my entry. So I'm not gonna be upset with that trade. 112 ticks, 115 ticks to start the day off. You can't be upset with that. And it's almost 100 points. on YM to kick the day off. So
bullish.
Not a bad day. Not a bad day. Don't be jelly. Be encouraged, right? Because you sit there right with me every weekend, right? So yeah, that's okay. We knew we knew where we were, right? We understood it was 134 points. 134 points top to bottom on 2 minis. Let's fucking go. Three minis on accident, but 2 total. 134 points. And I'm not sad about it. I think that we could have gotten more down to 370. So when we go to 370, I'm gonna be like, okay, I'll note that this weekend and say, okay, listen, one, manage to trade a little better. Don't add contracts on accident. That's probably a no-go. But also consider holding the whole position, maybe cutting one so your original position's entry can stay about the same. I'll look to re-enter this if we can get back to 50% of I don't know. What do you do in that situation when you accidentally add some shit? Do you just cut it right away, or? I know I'm the only one that's ever done this shit. No, so I got into the trade on purpose, and I added to the trade from my par, right? So I averaged in a little higher, right? But then I did that on purpose, right? I did the first ad on purpose. So I was in 2 minis, and then we were coming down, and I was trying to sell one, but mentally I hit the sell button, and I added a 3rd contract. So I was in that contract, those contracts started to be in profit too. And I was like, well, you know what? Let me protect myself and get out of 2. But then the market took my original entry and gave me the bullshit entry, which was too close to price. And I didn't want to give anything back. So I just ended up going to break even or giving it 2 ticks and just getting stopped out for extra $15. I was just going to say, like, what would you do in that situation? Mm-hmm. I got it more. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right. Cool. Then I did the right thing. Yep. I did the right thing then. To break even, yeah. Yeah. I felt like that was worth it. I was like, because that's what I said. I was originally willing to take the loss, and I was like, wait a minute, why would I take this loss when this was an accident? I don't want to pay for that accident. Justin, you in these loans?
No. I got stopped out. I got long at 936.
Oh, I thought you was in these loans 936. Wait, oh, like the time 936.
Mm-hmm.
936. You got stopped out in profit, or you got a?
I took profit up at the supply zone. I took profit up at the supply zone and then got stopped out for the remainder of my contracts.
Oh, okay. So real quick, Jay, on that, you bought the scout. You see that? And then we ended up putting in the reversal inside of 950. See how we traded down at 950?
Yeah.
I know. I wasn't.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that he did anything wrong. I was just, verbalizing that sequence of the structure. Yeah, that just is not a scalper, but yes, it's sending.
I mean, that was the only thing to do was to scalp it right there.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. No, I think also to add to that. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, I would say also try sizing down to 1 micro and just take the trade, right? Just take the trade, because a lot of times, like, you just need to see it. You need to see the ball go in the basket, and then you'll start looking for the ball to be in the basket, right? Like I went. No, I was gonna say, for me, I went down to the 15-second chart to get that entry, and I'm glad I got out down there, because I can see on the 1 minute we were starting to reverse. But I got the entry off the 15-second, and initially when we pumped up, I said, okay, wait a minute. When I saw the pump, I'm like, this is a liquidity sweep. So as soon as we rejected on the 15-second, at 9:30 and 45 seconds was my first entry, right? And that I got into that candle at 573. So when I was taking my son, I was going to pick up my son, right? If you look down at the 15-second, you'll see what I'm talking about. I got in on that rejection candle, right, at 573. So when I went to go get my son, I saw this aggressive buying coming in. I'm like, blah, 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 right? Because we just seen it so much. Like, at this point, I'm just like, whatever. You're buying aggressively because you want to come back down, right? So when we came back up again, right, into 592, right, I added on the way back down, bringing my total to 571, which essentially lined up with the previous day high. And then I was only risking 608. So I was risking 38 points on 2 minis, right? And I think that's like $10 a point. So it's $380. But mentally, I knew that I could absorb that inside the combine for one trade. I'm like, whatever, like, if this is wrong, I lose $400. And then walking away, right? Once I added and I knew I was in my full position, I knew my trade was managed. I put my phone in the cup holder and I didn't even look at it. Like, my son said, he said, you said you weren't gonna trade till you pick me up. He said, but I saw you take the trade on the live stream. I was like, yeah, but the setup was there. He's like, no, I saw it. I was like, yeah, the setup was there. So you got to take the setups when they arrive if you got the time, right? So when I opened up my phone, we got back to the garage. I said, look, this is why I take the setup. He looked at the phone. He's like, dang. I was like, yeah, like that's why you take the setup. When your setup appears, you got to take it, because you're going to start to, like Justin was saying over the weekend, he said something that was really powerful on Friday. He said, feeling this way when he didn't take his setup, he said, feeling this way felt worse than a loss. Like, that's powerful, right? You know what I mean? Like, he was like, man, I'd rather just take the loss and know that I took my setup than not take the setup and watch it go, understanding that I knew what was going on, right? I like the setup. Yeah, I like the setup inside of 950, but it didn't hit exactly where I wanted it to hit. So I would have hesitated. Plus, I just had that blunder on YM where I gave up too much. Well, I didn't give up too much. I bought too many contracts on accident and it didn't work out. So I'm like, okay, let me just get my mind right, reset, and let's see where other instruments are, right? Like, gold is gone unless I'm looking to short it. ES is in an area where I would be looking to short it. Inside of this 1010 macro, 950 macro, we came in here kind of bearish. So we'll probably leave this thing. ES is actually looking pretty good for shorts, but I don't know what the tape looks like. We're probably going to leave this thing bullish, though. I'd be careful. NQ looks, this is the Dow, sorry. Let me lower it to. The only one I would be looking to short right now. Yeah, my bad, brother. Yeah, NQ's at the top of my micro range at 675. So I'd actually look to entertain shorts up here, but I just don't like the way the macro printed. Yes, that's where I want to get short. Good, man. That's why I love community. Yeah, we saw a block of liquidity up at 740, which is previous day high on the tape. So I would definitely look to entertain shorts up there. And that would definitely line up with the top of my range for the NASDAQ. So I'll sit on my hands until the next macro. This macro could potentially leave bullish, and you could see the candle already printed bullishly, but it doesn't mean we still can't trade back down, right? Because we're at range, we're in a level where there's a ton of liquidity above us. I would just need to see us change character on the 1 minute time frame before I look to short it, which we kind of did right here. Right here at 610. You see how we broke below that, Jay?
Hold up, I'm not looking at the stream.
Oh, are you looking at the Nasdaq or are you looking at ES?
Yeah, no, I'm looking at the Nasdaq.
Yeah, so you see
Oh,
how
you're
we
talking
broke
about when we
below
broke
606?
broke below.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah.
So I'm looking at this as a potential head, but I would rather just trade the other shoulder just because we look so bullish on the tape. So if we're gonna break down, I need us to break down cleanly and then come back up and retest it, maybe inside of that 1150 macro. But anything below 741, I'm looking to short. If we push above 741, then Godspeed. I'll be probably done trading. I only trade combines Mondays and Tuesdays, and I'm up pretty nicely on this one today. There's no reason to do anything else if I don't see anything that I want to do.
Oh wait, no.
What's wrong, Jay? What's wrong?
Oh my god, I'm an idiot. I had such a I meant to get into a short and accidentally got into a long.
You're not an idiot, bro. I just made the same exact mistake. You're not an idiot, man. You're a smart dude that made a mistake in the heat of the moment. Y'all do it.
I know. I thought I hit the short button. Maybe I should have stayed in that long though. Oh. Ooh. It looks like we're gonna go grab that liquidity at 80.
Mm-hmm.
It's not gonna go up there.
There's a lot of liquidity that they put on this tape.
Oh, they just put liquidity.
A lot
They
of
just put
liquidity on this
liquidity,
tape,
yeah.
bro.
They're really trying
They're
right
putting
now.
A lot of liquidity on this tape, bro.
They might have such a good entry too.
Why didn't you just re-enter?
I did re-enter, but
Oh, okay.
I got back in to the short, but I had a really good entry on the when I originally pushed the button.
Yeah. You didn't hesitate. That was good. You saw what you saw and you clicked it. But that's the important part, is that, you know what I mean? Like you're starting to get that. Yeah, but fuck, I know this shit about to happen. You know, that's what's up. That's what's up.
We'll see. We're in supply. We're consolidating. The market definitely is having a hard time pushing up right now, but ooh, they just threw 100 orders above us now or below us now.
Yeah, I think they may be just continuing this trend up. I'm not in no rush to jump in front of this freight train. I'll wait to see what we do. We got to get below. I want to see selling be continued before I enter. I like Justin's entry, but I already have like how I want to enter it, and I want to see this right here on the tape. I want to see that continue down before I enter. But I see what he's seeing. He's seeing that lack of buying at the highs, and he's willing to put that risk on above. I'm assuming your stop's above 680.
Yeah, it's at 88.
Yeah. I'd just rather see the market sweep this first, maybe inside of that next macro. But if it pushes down, I'm okay with missing this entry. I think I'm okay with missing it. I'm trying to mentally prepare for missing it. Now that you ever get in a situation where you see the trade and you're like, you start convincing yourself that it's not my entry. I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna take it, and I'm gonna be okay with taking it. And then that shit leave, you be like, damn. That shit leave, and you be like, damn, I should have just waited. I should have just took it. Trader base down for Apex still? Damn, yeah. I don't think Trader base down. I think Apex is down. My live account is working just fine.
Yeah, it's they've been having a lot of issues. Apex has been having a ton of issues lately. I don't know what's up with them, but yeah, they've been struggling.
Yeah, my live account, I took a couple trades on it this morning. I made $70 this morning on one micro, bro.
Oh, nice.
Killing that shit. I'm just taking it day at a time, you know, putting on very, very small size, 1 to 2 micros. Just trying to make $400 a week, trading 1 or 2 micros. I'm trying to give it a little bit more focus because I'm feeling really confident in my trading. So now I'm trying to like focus between the live account, the combines, and fundings. Just try to start really putting the pressure, putting some money in my pocket. This looks nice, Jay. You just want to see us break.
I'm so upset that I such a good entry on the logs or on the short, and I accidentally hit the log button. I had such a good, like, my entry was so nice. My entry was what was it? Was it 6, 7?
It's just dangerous at these lows.
71. It was 71 was my entry.
These lows just don't want to break. That's makes me feel good.
Yeah,
but they're bringing liquidity down. That's good. I'd rather just wait till the macro because they over here capping inside of this consolidation prior to this macro.
I'd be up 10 points already.
Justin, just worry about the current change is.
I mean, it's fine. I mean, either we're gonna win or either the market will come down or it won't. I'm just upset because I had such a good entry.
Damn, Prayer Kid is sending this shit. He said next target's 800. He trying to run your stop, Jay. You gonna take that?
Nah, I don't decide. The market got to decide what it wants to do up here.
I have no control over this.
Nah, it's not. I'm not trying to be negative. I'm just upset because I had a really good entry. My entry was really nice, and I'm just upset that I fumbled it. I got back in though because I believe in the shorts up here. It's just I'm mad I fumbled it. I'm mad I fumbled my entry. That's all.
Yeah, what's going on with Amazon and Meta today? Jesus. Never negative talk. Your subconscious picks that up. That's what I was trying to. That's what I be trying to tell him, man. Like you just.
Nah, I'm mad. I'm mad. I fumbled my entry hard.
I think this thing's trying to come back up. Looking at the
it looked like it.
At the market, it's like all that selling is just getting absorbed down there, and the tape is diverging.
Let's see. They might take that liquidity up there.
I like your area a lot. I just don't like what's happening. I like when the market just bleeds away from my entry. I don't like when they be chopping around. If I'm in shorts, I need you to come down right away because usually that means trouble. We're just refusing to break that high though. Or consolidation, kind of what we expected. It's just always annoying, right? I'm gonna wait to see what we do inside 1150. I'm not gonna touch anything, or 1050. I'm gonna wait to see what we do. I'm not gonna touch anything until then. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab something to eat until then because there's nothing.
Here come these bulls. So apparently Apex is changing things according to somebody who's close to Apex. They were changing their website yesterday too. I guess I don't know. That's what they said. Yeah, this market continues to hold these highs. Not looking too good. Let's see. I'm just telling you what I heard. Just letting y'all know. I don't work for Apex. Yeah, they were doing some work on their, but they were doing work on their website though, not on whatever servers they're using for Trade of 8. I don't know. It hasn't just been Trade of 8 they've been having issues with though. They had issues with Ninja as well. looks like we still want to push up higher. Let me check the landscape of Apple's trying to come down, but Nvidia's holding at its low. It's kind of an issue. Yeah, I really don't think this wants to come down lower, to be completely honest. But that's why my entry was so damn important. Oh, I was wondering who she was talking to. Yeah, Nvidia is starting to pump up out of here. All right, NQ just took that liquidity at 80. Let's see what we do.
You couldn't hear me this whole time. I forgot. I forgot to unmute over here. I was talking to them. Because I was like, yo, we just took that liquidity at 680. He was like, all right, we just took that liquidity at 680. I was like, wait a minute, he can't hear me. It was a nice fill on liquidity. I still want to see a reaction worth taking for me to get long or short. Hang on, my dog's running away from my daughter.
We'll go ahead and bring my stop down to the 80s now. If we get above there, then my trade is cooked. And we popped right back up. After some really, really, really strong selling, yeah, this is not looking good. The rest of the market is rallying. Google's rallying. Apple's rallying. Everything is kind of rallying right now.
What's the quote for NQ VIX? What does that even mean? Oh, you mean the ticker? I don't know. I just use the ES one.
I don't think there is a NQ VIX. I don't think that exists.
Somebody told me there was. I thought you said that.
No. I mean, if you think about it, the VIX is still correlated with NQ as well. I mean, every stock that's in NQ is also in ES. So,
except for the financial sector. So,
yeah.
About is you in these shorts too?
Yeah, these shorts are not looking too good.
Just looking at the higher time frame, 15-minute chart looks like y'all need to fucking pack it up. Get the fuck out of this shit. 15-minute looks aggressive. The 1 hour looks very, very aggressive as well. Yeah, y'all, they about to move y'all out the way. I think we might be headed back to 800 today. I'm gonna wait for pullbacks to get long on it just looks very, very aggressive. That's all. It looks like their uptrend is in full effect. I think I really want midnight retracement. I just don't see it happening. Not on this instrument.
Stopped out there.
VXN. VXN. Yeah, I don't know. Just use the regular VIX, man. It's gonna give you everything you need. Everything you need is gonna be inside the regular VIX. It's not like I use it directly correlated with the market, right? It's not like every time the VIX goes down, I'm looking to short, or vice versa, right? I just use it as a read on how strong the market is, or how weak the market is.
VXN is the current contract for the VIX, by the way. So that's all you're saying is that it's the VIX with the monthly ticker is the N.
Oh.
So yeah, that's what VXN is.
Yeah, what Justin said. I'm not gonna put any effort into it because the regular VIX works just fine. All right, looks like we went out of this range.
Yeah.
Market took that liquidity and just fucking got hammer time, right? Standing in the middle of the mall. Good trade idea though. I like the area, but bulls are just too strong. Once we got that pullback,
they're way too strong.
Once we got that pullback and we didn't break that low at 649, I would have had to go. Just because that meant that we pulled back into structure and we held that structure. That's like a red flag for me. But now I would just be waiting. For me, I want to see what we do inside of 1050. I want to look to get long inside of inside of that macro. I want to see that macro trade down. I want to see us trading down inside of that macro. And basically right where we are right now is where I'm looking to get long. Right, but I just want the market to pull back into this area. If we just rally from here, then I'll just walk away. Or if we don't pull back inside of 1050, I'll walk away, go for my walk, and I'll be done. No need to trade anymore. But if we trade down inside of 1050, then I'll definitely be looking for that. I tell you one thing, man. If y'all got a standing desk available, use that shit. I feel so like my brain is so like, I don't know, fluid right now. It's like I'm getting so much circulation and I can move around. My back doesn't hurt. I'm not stretching. I don't feel anxious. I just feel so, I don't know, free-minded right now. It's weird. $27.03 target hit. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Congrats, brother. Congrats. Let's get it. Next target, 709. Okay. Yeah. I want to see what we do up here, because this is still short territory, right? So only way I want to get long, but we're at the top of the range, so I should be looking to get short, right? So if we can, I'm still entertaining shorts if we can change character. Once we change character, I'll be looking for retest to get short. But if we're gonna keep rallying, I'm looking for retest to get long. But this is the area where my short should be coming in. But the bulls just don't care. Like, there's nothing. The volatility index is at 1385, 1390. It's just still, we're just still showing too much strength. So it feels like just another slow, low volume push type day. And I'm not going to step in front of it, because I already know what that brings. And it brings a lot of losses, right? Because every single pullback that the market looks like it's going to, drop, you're going to be looking to short it. When the market's trying to put in like the high of the week or the low of the week, right? And go higher. Because if we stop what we're doing and we just don't take any trades, right? We stop what we're doing and we say, okay, midday or 2 hours in, where are we on the 4 hour? Look at the 4 hour candle. Does this look like it's about to go short? Absolutely not, right? Then you say, okay, let me zoom out a little further. Let me look at the daily candle. Do it look like I should be shorting this? Fuck no, right? So you got to use those higher time frame analysis to kind of keep you in tune with what the market is currently doing. I want to be in tune with where the market is currently going. I don't want to be in tune with where I think it might go, right? Right now, the trend is up, right? So if you're doing anything but longing this market, you need to be out for 10 or 15 points right now, because the market is showing strength on every level. They need what? Oh, they need my signature or something? All right, hold on, guys.
Nothing to do again. Hopefully we sell down. That's all I want. Sell down, break that low, and we can look to short the market. I just can't get long here.
All right, my bad. So yeah, like I was saying, so like from a macro perspective, right? Like you just want to stay in tune with what the market is doing. I want the market to stay in range. This 4 hour candle does not look like the market's trying to stay in range. It looks like the market's trying to blow right past this area. So that kind of eliminates my thesis of, okay, this is where I want to get short until the market shows me something different, right? And it's going to start obviously on the lower time frames, but I'm going to need something to change to lead me to believe that there's weakness in the market. Just leaving runners. Good job, Prayer Kid. Good job, brother. Good job. Good job.
Yeah, good trade. Good trade. Yeah, I still like shorts. I still like shorts. NQ's in supply. ES is in its supply. So I like shorts, but I'm not gonna try
you
to
like the area for shorts, right?
Seller.
You don't necessarily like.
I don't like the price.
There's
I don't like
weakness.
the price action for the shorts. Right
Yeah. I'm
not short. I'm not short the market right here. I'm not. I tried to be a first seller. It didn't work. So
yeah, I only like shorts if the market can show me that it's willing to short. And right now, every single time frame that I'm looking on is just showing me more bullish activity. And if that's the case, let it run. It's a good day.
Yeah, I'll get short, but I need the market to break down first and then go back up and retest. I tried to be a first seller, didn't work out, so it's all good.
I'll wait for the next macro, see what we do. I want to see us sell down back into this level we just broke. Essentially by 1050, I want to see us above this high. And then I want to see us trade back down into this level by 1050. If we can get back down into this level by about 11 o'clock, that's where I'm looking to take my next entry. Yeah, but it's in a bearish range, right? So the Dow is coming from bearish character. We got our 50% at 518, but we're refusing to break the low down at 431. So we're essentially not putting in a new high, but not putting in a new low. So where does that put us? Yeah, you're reading it right. Yep. The question is, are we ranging to go break lows, or are we ranging to break highs? I would say it's to break lows just because of all the aggressive supply push that came down, right? The aggressive push that came down leads me to believe that the market wants to go lower on this particular instrument. But I don't like when we pull in the chop, so I just go to a different instrument because that's what I do. Right? Like I just float around. Like, oh, okay, what are buyers and sellers at? Where y'all at? What y'all trying to do over here? What y'all got going on over here? You know? ES is in supply, looking to break the all-time highs. Again, refer to Justin's plan where he spoke about breaking the previous day high or the all-time high, looking for a break and retest. That's something that I could potentially look for on ES, but it's a little too high for me. So I would rather, with all of my options laid out in front of me, I think the best option is just to wait for price to come back into this 5-minute demand zone on NASDAQ between 678 and 648. If we can get price, if I can get price to come back down there around 11, I'm all for that trade. Other than that, there's nothing for me to do. Let's sit back and watch. iBomb says targeting previous day high. Okay. Just be careful because we are at the top of this range. The market is in a range still. Right. So just be careful with those higher targets on a day like today, because we could continue to range, but you know, secure the bag as always. No shorts for me until we hit 739, which I'm expecting them to run above. That would give them a run above Friday's high. Yeah, I can see that, but Justin's viewing it a little bit differently. Like he has a supply area here where there was a bearish footprint on Friday. If you look to the left, it's the PM session highs, right? So if you look, well, it's not the high, but it's like the 3 o'clock high. Yeah, he had food in his bowl from last night, but he didn't eat, so he ate that this morning. So if you look at the PM session highs, that's essentially the bearish footprint that was put in. So until we get above, like you guys are saying, 743, I think that's when we'll start seeking lower liquidity. But right now, there's nothing to do for me anyway. Not on NQ. I've already taken money out of the market for the YM. My secondary still have an upward target. Yeah, I think we could see. I think we could get really busy today. I'm just waiting on a pullback inside of that macro. I might short the pullback and long it. PM highs is my primary target. Okay, nice. Well, the high of PM session is 743. So 723 is like 3 o'clock, the end of the PM session. Okay, I think that's a good target. For sure. Yeah, for me, I'm hands off until this 1050 macro hits. We can get inside of there. We'll see what we want to do. What I want to see, essentially, what I want to see, there's one of two ways I want to read this, right? So, because we're so bullish, I would love to see us trade bullish into the macro. right? Maybe tap this supply zone, come down as failure, retest the supply zone, go up higher, give me an opportunity to short, right? Come back down, retest here. Another entry could be here, right? And because we came into the macro bullish, I'd be looking for a push back down inside this 5-minute demand zone that was created right here. So essentially, we go to the 5-minute and play this out a little better, because I'd be looking for, something like this, push up, tap that, fail, come back up, tap that, fail, come back down, and then come back into this area here. And then the market continues doing its thing and pushes back up. That's what I want. Will that happen? I don't know. But that's what I'm looking for. So I want to see how we come into the 1050 macro. It'll give me more information. Chelsea Blue says, what headphones are those, Hobbs? Looking for new noise canceling ones. Any recommendations? Man, listen. That's an interesting question, because I had some Beats noise canceling headphones. And what the heck was that? Was that a big buyer? What just happened on the tape? My tape just got weird.
Nothing.
Oh, okay.
No,
I had some Beats noise canceling headphones, and shut up, Chicago Shine. Looking at all my drawings. I had some Beats noise canceling headphones. I really like those. Those were really, really nice. But I lost one of my earbud Beats headphones. So I started using those and going the studio ones and going on walks and then sleeping in them. So I ended up breaking them. So they were getting annoying and they wouldn't rest on my head. So I honestly just went to Amazon and I typed in studio headphones, and I couldn't even tell you what brand these are. Like, I don't even know. One ODO. They're really bulky, but they get the job done for sure. They get the job done for sure. And they were really cheap. They were like $40. And my Beats were like 200. So, those are broken now. So, hasta la vista. That cheat code to speed this shit up. Oh, yeah, for real. Low volume pushes, man. We're just gonna grind up all day long. That's another thing that's on the table, right? That's another reason why I'm just being patient, because this could just be an all-day grind up. Like, we've been grinding up since Tokyo session. We haven't had any pullback since the market opened. So we could just grind up all day long, right? And if that's the case, I'm just gonna pack my bag up and go and wait for tomorrow's price action, right? 5 minutes until the 1050 macro. And then that Chicago Shine. That's that up down AB select start I was talking about, that contra code, bro. I don't know how I still remember that, but it's like the first cheat code I ever memorized. I think everybody knew that code back in the 90s. It's slow as hell. Like, yeah, if you didn't get the entry, the longs at the bottom.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm bored.
You remember that? You remember that, bud? Up, down, AB select start. Super contra, you get the 30 lives. You need them too to beat that game. Shoot. Has anybody ever beat Mike Tyson Punch Out? Bud, have you ever beat Mike Tyson Punch Out?
No.
You ever beat that?
They changed it too. It's not Mike Tyson no more. They lost the license, so now it's like some white guy.
Of course. I could get to Mike Tyson, but it was just like in the 80s and late 90s, like, just the fear of Mike Tyson in real life made it so you couldn't beat him in a game. I was so afraid when I saw Tyson on the game. I was like, nope. Mortal Kombat. Oh yeah, ABACABB. Yeah, I remember that one. The Sega Mortal Kombat one. I remember that one. Tekken 3 the best. That's debatable.
All right, here comes the sellers. Come on, let's break something.
You short?
No, not yet.
I need some shit to break first.
I saw the potential to get short, but I already used my early token, so.
I want some shit to break. They're gonna have to break this structure first. And I ain't no way in hell I'm jumping in front of it.
I mean, this is divergence, but I mean, we just look bullish. I mean, We're holding every time we sell down, we come right back up.
We come right back up, and they're selling down right into liquidity at 700. So it's like they just keep picking up more buyers. So as long as it's happening,
they're building structure up here, and a lot of the times reversal happens when there's a lack of building structure. So more than likely, we're probably going up because there's a ton of volume that they're trading up here. So it's probably acceptance to go higher. But we'll see. If we break some structure, then come back up and retest it. Then maybe we're putting in some new supply. It just depends.
Pull back in the 15-minute fair value gap.
All right. Now I'm starting to get a little interested. Starting to get a little bit more interesting up here.
Is that right here? Boy.
Come right back up.
A YM went up. Oh yeah, YM went up. Damn. This shit, bro. There's no stop.
Oh my god, we're about to trade up higher.
Yep. Ain't no stopping the stuff. We're moving up.
I just can't long the market high.
Then don't. Just relax, baby. It'll come back to us. It always does. We just gotta wait long enough. This is the game of chicken. Just put. You know what you should do, bro? Identify where you want to trade, long or short, and just put an alert. That's what I'm about to do. I'll put an alert on my trading view where I want to get long. Where I want to get long is right here. I want to get long between 678 and 648. So I'm gonna put a horizontal ray at 688 to alert me to pay attention. And I can just run my mouth until long idea shows up. So I'm gonna put long idea. Right? Don't sweat the market, man. The market gonna move like this every day.
Oh, I'm not sweating it. I'm looking to see if we break down here because I want to short the market here, but I want us to break down first aggressively. I'm not going to try to short it before we break down aggressively, though.
Standing in the middle of the ball.
Yeah, I think you should definitely switch over to top step.
Definitely, Dimitri.
And then meow meow. I never heard of you before, but I guess we're delusional the way we talk. If that's what you think. That's cool.
Delusional the way we talk? What does that even mean, meow?
I guess so.
If that's the case, you're delusional for naming yourself after a fucking cat sound, clown.
Yeah, I don't know.
Hello, my YouTube name is meow meow.
I don't give airspace to people who are stupid, so it's whatever. Creating a spring effect, maybe. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. We're coming to sweep 741. Definitely a possibility. What's everybody using for call alerts? Oh, trading view.
Oh, for sell alerts, you have to go into your settings and update your profile. So the little picture in the top left corner, but if you go into there where it says logged in as, you got to go into, I think it's like the home or, oh no, profile settings right here. Go into profile or profile settings, and then you can go in there and update. I'm not going to show mine on screen, but you can update and add your phone number to it in addition to your email. So then when you put your alerts in, there's an option in the alerts to say alert my SMS too. So then it'll alert both your phone and your email. Yeah, on TradingView.
Yeah, you can also you can also just like I think if you have the app, you can also set it up through the app so it doesn't even you don't even have to worry about it. Like it'll send you the alert through the app.
Well, I have the app and it sends me an alert through the email through the app. So I don't know if it's because it's set up in my settings, but
No, yeah. Anytime I put an alert in, it alerts me through it alerts me through the app. Like it'll just send me like a thing saying, oh, this price crossed this level or whatever. They took those orders off of 735, by the way.
Yeah, I'd say pay attention here. We just came into this 1050 macro very, very bullish, which makes me very, very bearish.
Meow meow. Hope you meet Chicago Bear. He got a nice something for you. He got something nice for you. I'm not even paying any attention to clowns. But yeah, they took those orders off of 735, so we might just continue pushing up here.
Yeah, let's see what we do on the side of 1010. I mean, the other side of this macro at 1110. I like that we're trading into it very, very bullish. I want to see if we leave the other side bearish.
Yes. Yeah, yes, continue to just push through. No real resistance. I think ES is has a lot more room to run. Well, not more room to run than NQ, but I think ES will run much further from its highs than NQ will, since structurally where they're at, it's a lot different. So if NQ goes, I think ES will go as far as NQ will go height wise. You know what I mean?
Structurally, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I like
you can kind of use the gauge. You can kind of use NQ to gauge how far ES is actually going to go. You say you like shorts here?
I like shorts up here. I just want to see if we can get a liquidity sweep.
Bullish. Woke up late, GTC to the moon. Yeah. Gold running for all-time highs.
Gold.
Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. Holy shit.
Yeah, gold's not playing around.
I like how people come in here, talk shit, and then leave. It's just fucking hilarious.
Yeah, ES is running for all-time highs too.
Yeah, they're all going for it. At this point, even if we short the market, it's just a scalp.
Yeah, at this point, I only want to short. I only want to short to structure, or just wait till we come back to structure and get long. ES is giga. I knew I should have traded yesterday. I said ES was going to be stronger this week too. The thing ran 40 points in the pre-market from Tokyo to London. Banks are reporting this week.
Let's go.
It's clean though. Pretty decent.
Got my Express funded account Friday for my 50K. I'm pumped.
Let's go, man. Traded the same way they got you there. Or I think. What's up? Yeah. I just had that one. Looks like it's about to go short again right here, though. Yeah, my focus is on NQ because I really want to short it. If we can hear you, you can't hear us. Oh, she left. I got a chance to send a message. Yeah, there goes ES breaking above all-time highs right here. Aggressively pushing out of here. Aggressive. Yeah. I don't know what's going on with her shit. Yeah, I only took the one trade on YM so far. I'm still liking shorts on the NASDAQ, but just for a quick scout. Yes, it's gone, and I'm not touching that thing unless it comes back down. It's on some other shit. Right now, there's just nothing to do. There's nothing to do but kind of look kind of scavenge the area. I like shorts on the other side of 1110 if we can come back down, just based off time. But I'm hands off. I'm not touching anything until I see a setup. Right now, everything's pushing. It's looking really, really nice. I'm content with my trading day. I think I traded really well so far, and I want to take another trade, and I think it's going to be to the short side. I just need to see a little bit more from the NASDAQ here, a little bit more. AKA, I want to see this thing break some structure. Dow's coming back up, pushing through the highs here. Just going to focus here. I think there's an opportunity here to get bearish. That's what I'm kind of looking to do. Well, not on YM. I'm looking at that right now.
Yeah, the VIX is also trying to pump, but that's
no.
That's it.
This thing has to break structure. This thing has to break structure. I'm not. This is one of those days where, like I said, if you're going to short it, you have to let it break structure. Otherwise, it's going to continue to look bearish, and then it's just going to run your stop because it's a low liquidity run, right? So it's low volume. It has the opportunity to look bearish for a little bit, and then just aggressively run your stop. So
yeah. Well, would you look at that? They threw half the orders back up at 735. I knew they were gonna do that bullshit. We got back below, playing games. They're probably gonna take it too. Take their liquidity for playing around.
yeah, YM sitting. It's too high for me to touch it though. That's what I want to see.
Yeah, we're still holding this trend. As long as the trend holds.
I'll be careful shorting YM strength, but just because based off time and how we came into the macro, I'm not seeing a weakness inside of the macro.
There it goes.
Right? Like, the only thing I'm seeing is, yeah, exactly. The only thing I'm seeing is fucking strength. So I'm like, bro, as much as I want to get short, the only thing I keep seeing is strength. So I'm just like, yeah, there's nothing.
We sold down immediately after, but we came right back up. Yeah, shorts are definitely off the L table at this point. We'll see though. Maybe it's really weird. We're seeing like really weird selling, but at the same time, they're still buying immediately after we get that aggressive selling.
Yeah, I'll be very, very careful putting shorts on in this market. ES just broke all-time highs.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh my God. ES broke all-time highs. ES broke all-time highs and it's pushing. It's trying to push out of here. 27.39 target hit. Good job, man. Good job. Everything pumping, even BTC. Yeah, everything's singing. I'm kind of inclined to be done for the day if we leave. If we leave this macro bullish, I'm probably gonna pack it up until like the PM session, or I get done with my walk. If I see it set up when I come back, then maybe. But I want to short out of this macro, and it doesn't look like it's a good idea right now. Ooh, there's another thing.
It's weird though. The VIX is still pumping. At least trying.
The VIX is at 1386. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait till 11:10. The VIX hasn't moved, Justin. What are you talking about?
Oh, I'm looking at. I don't know. I'm looking at the current VIX contract, and it started. Well,
is there a different VIX than I'm looking at?
I mean, I'm looking at VXN. That's the current contract for the VIX. Let me check what the VIX continuous contract.
When did you switch to looking at VXN instead of just VX1, which is what we usually look at?
I mean, it should be the same regardless. It's just at a different price. Huh? Yeah.
Is it different? Or no?
Huh?
Is it
yeah,
different?
it is a little. It is a little different.
Because I got VIX in a 10-point range, basically from 80 to 90. It just keeps balancing itself out between 80 and 90. Is that not doing that for you?
No. Well, yeah. The VIX, the continuous VIX contract, it is, but the VIX contract that people are trading right now is different, which is interesting. Huh? That's weird.
Justin, they think you got the inside scoop on trading Apex, bro. What's up?
I don't have the inside scoop. I don't know.
They said Justin, any inside info about when they might fix trader bait issue?
I don't know. I heard.
You better come on over the top step. No,
the only thing that I heard was that they were changing over their system or something like that, and that's why they're having problems. But I haven't heard.
Yeah, prayer kid. This is where I'm looking for shorts. I'm definitely looking for shorts up here.
Oh, it scared me. Yeah, I haven't heard anything. I don't know. I mean, I'm sure they'll. It's weird that they're. It's actually not weird. They actually never send out any emails. I feel like they could do better. I feel like they could do a better job with communication. You know what I mean? Yeah. No problem, Dr. JC. I feel like they could do a better job with their communication. They should be communicating to people what's going on. At least through email or something. I don't know. I guess I could check their Discord server because right now the marketing is nothing. Let's see. I'm not even in their Discord. I heard they'd be banning people on the Discord for talking crazy.
Watching very, very carefully what we do. I like how the order flows kind of shifted. As long as we can stay below 55, I like it. The short side. Nope. Keep climbing. They keep climbing. Yeah. I'm looking at the tape roundup too. I'm just looking at this thing like, bro, they just keep coming. Woo! I'm gonna take that. I like that rejection. I'm gonna try shorts right here. Really, really tight stops. 9 points on NQ. I'll take that. Let's see what happens. All right. Looks like we about to fuck around and find out. Don't worry, guys. I'll jump on this grenade for you. Da, 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 da.
Yeah, I already jumped out enough grenades today.
Let me take a picture. Hey man, whatever I can do for the community, bro. Whatever I can do for the community.
How am I supposed to?
Whatever I can do. They are buying the fuck. Yeah, I kind of jumped the gun on the tape, but that's all right. We'll see. I gave it 58. I mean, we looking really weak up here. We are looking really weak up here, but what's up?
What time is it? Oh, they just put out something. There you go. There has been reported issues with Tradevate in regards to market
Justin
data.
got y'all.
And we have determined that it's the best interest of our customers to flatten existing positions and halt trading while Tradevate works to resolve the issue. We
It's
have turned
not
off the
Tradevate.
purchases of new
Tradevate works
Tradevate accounts in the
fine.
meantime. This is not due
Ow.
to our weekend activities. We are working closely with Tradevate to resolve the issue as soon as possible. We appreciate your support and will update information as available. We will provide updates as they are available. Look at that. That just came out at 11:06.
Yes. My live account works just fine.
Oh, they took their Discord. They took their. Oh, yeah. Like there's literally that. I was wondering about that, Dr. JC. There's literally nowhere where like members can speak.
They Discord his wife clean? For real?
Yeah, I was trying to figure it out, Pip. I was in there. I'm like, where are all the people speaking?
No,
like, they took all of that away.
Pip about to fucking have a fucking no. No.
So
I know it run.
You know how like
I know it run for. Yo.
You know how every Discord has like a place where people can chat and stuff, right? Like people who pay accounts, they give updates or whatever. But they took all that away.
Affiliate. Justin, did you get your affiliate brand this month?
Yeah. Yeah, they paid it to me today.
I ain't get mine.
You didn't get yours?
Let me check my account. I don't think I got my. How they paying the affiliates and they ain't paying the motherfuckers straight?
I'm pretty sure. They sent me. Didn't you get an email?
Mine. Nope, I ain't get shit, bro. They said I was talking too much shit. We heard you over there. Yeah, they like we heard you over there talk about come on and touch it.
Yeah, they sent me an email.
They ain't give me shit. They said they paid me in the dashboard, but I checked my account. I was like, I ain't got no money. What y'all talking about? You can pay me.
Oh, never mind. I take that back. They didn't send it to me neither.
I told you, bro. They ain't even send it. Hey, I'm still in this trade, y'all. I moved my stop to 60. I gave it like 13 points. I think we can come out of this thing and get a quick scout down. If you're unmuted. Uh-oh. Oh, these bulls. God, why they look so strong? Gee, is that really necessary? So disrespectful. I should have took my break even when I had the chance. Oh boy.
Dang. They better not be making an exit on all of this.
I think they're making an exit stage right, bro. I think they rugged. It feels like a crypto project. Anytime they start deleting shit and they start fucking sending out random messages so people don't get worried, and then next thing you know, they delete the Twitter and you know what I mean? Like, all right, I'm stopped out right there, guys, for a 13 point loss. Bulls are strong as hell.
Yeah, they on the dashboard. Check your dashboard. I didn't get it either, but they said they paid it, which is uh-oh. All right, who following?
They said they paid it too on the dashboard. That's what I was telling you. They said they paid it on the dashboard, but they did not. They did not.
That's what they said on the dashboard.
Yeah, they said they sent it and they paid it on the 15th, and I was like, well, it ain't even the 15th yet. So how y'all pay it? So I was like, well,
No, they sent me an email saying that they paid it out, and then it's on the dashboard as well. But I haven't gotten anything either.
Yeah, see, they capping, bro. I think they making a mass exodus. You know, yeah, I'm good. Yo, 10K, bro. 10K, bro. Hey, bro, that's dirty. They dirty, man.
Yeah, because
They
on
dirty.
the 7 days ago, they said that they issued a payout in my email.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah,
They definitely said they did. They sent the email like they did and everything. They just didn't issue no bread. Everything was probably set on automatic. They ain't paying that shit. That's cool. I'm good with it. I don't really do nothing for it, feel it done, nothing, but
we'll see. We'll see. So they took their Discord down a week ago. Yeah, that's
Apex,
strange
bro.
things
I
are
don't know,
happening.
man. It don't sound good. Say the younger girl. What? Bro, hey, don't piss Pip off. Don't piss Pip off, okay? Okay? Don't piss Pip off right now. Don't piss Pip off right now. Don't piss him off right now. Don't piss that man off. Yo, that's dirty, bro. I mean, what else you gonna do?
That's where I'm at with it too. You gotta be positive. Gotta stay positive, man. That's all we can do at this point.
Bro, are we not finna pull back today at all, bro?
Nope.
This is crazy. If we don't pull back in front of this macro, I'm done, guys.
And you hit RTY target too. Nice job, per kid.
Let's go, man.
Start with some glitches, then payout denial, then Discord close, and apologies to valued customers. We season operation. See you next time.
Yeah, this don't look good. That's all I'm gonna tell you. It don't look good at all.
But is that only through trade? That might only be through Tradeovate though.
Bro, the only way Tradeovate would do that for only Apex is they ain't pay their bill. Let's be real.
That's a good
and
point.
The only way they wouldn't pay their bills, they was trying to exit stage right. You feel me? You know? I ain't trying to throw no dirt on y'all shit, but you know what else is weird though? You know what else is weird is that normally you pay for market data at the beginning of the month. It's the middle of the month. So why is your market data going out now? You always pay that at the beginning of the month. Justin, you might want to make that. But people saying they wiped it clean. They've been wiped it clean though.
That was like a week ago that they did that.
Yeah, that's what people are saying. They're saying they did that a while ago.
I do agree with Dr. Casey,
if you weren't paying your bills, look, they ain't paid no affiliate. I ain't got no bread in my account. They normally pay on time.
They normally do.
Because Yvonne was saying he got paid, but I think he was just reading the email too.
But sometimes it doesn't hit till the 15th, so I don't know. I'm definitely gonna be looking to see. It's only Tradeovate.
You gonna do your due diligence.
Apex Rhythmic working. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's only Tradeovate. So
so Apex is still running. Okay.
Yeah, if you have Rhythmic account, it's still working. It's just not the Tradeovate side.
Okay, well that's good.
Yeah, something's going on with the market data for Tradeovate for them. So
what's up with the affiliate joints though? What's up with the affiliate joints? Damn them accounts.
I don't know. I don't know.
What my paid advertisement at? That's what I need to know. Where my money at? My motherfucking money at Apex.
I called them perfectly. Maybe we don't know yet. They're still running. I mean, so far, I guess.
Pip.
Yes, that is true. Ninja Trader does own Tradeovate. That is true.
I told you to be done. I told you to cut them motherfuckers off a long time ago. Pip, stop fucking with these motherfuckers. You motherfuckers got to 6 o'clock. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Bro, there's no sign of like sellers anywhere in this market. Like this market is just slow crawling its way up to all-time highs. ES has left the fucking building. This shit is from Tokyo session. ES is up almost. Let's see. Bam. From the Tokyo session, ES is up almost 80 points. It's crazy.
Yeah, we're still going.
That
was the only pullback on the day.
It's just, I mean, just get long shit. I don't know what to tell y'all. Like, but I'm about to go. That's what I'm about to do. I'm not touching this shit. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, while it's doing this, it's just, I mean, like, what else is there to do besides be like, oh, okay, I mean, it's going up. I mean, I'm not going to join the bid, but congrats to those that did.
Talk about Apex, I guess.
Yeah, just talk about Apex. Kaya says she's so overbought, bro. We've been overbought since October, bro. So what does that shit matter? Yeah, I know. We talked about that this weekend too. That's why ES is going crazy. That's why I was telling you guys about ES going crazy this weekend. What's up, bro? I think we get a pullback about it. Like I don't think that that's not going to happen at all. I think we 100% get a pullback, but
Oh, see, look, JC's tapped in. Apparently, other prop firms are having problems with trade debate as well. Not
lies. What other prop firms?
Let's see.
Why y'all trying to cover it up for them? Yeah. They trolling. Everybody trolling Apex.
They all are.
Oh my god. They trolling. Yeah. You said what?
No. People on Top Step right now. People on Top Step are also complaining about issues on Trade on their Discord.
You know, when you mess with Justin Money, he about to turn into a fucking reporter.
You damn right.
Reporter. He's like, oh, where the fuck is my money
ain't
at?
Nothing else to do in this market right now. Might as well figure out what you're going on.
He was like, hold on, wait, my affiliate brand? Nah, we need to investigate this further.
Nah, but yeah, apparently Trade Debate is having issues for everybody. It's not just But I don't know. That's weird. It's weird that it's coming just from the people who are on prop firms though. That's the weird thing.
Bro, ES is still sending, bro. Gold is going for all-time highs. Dow is going for all-time highs.
Yeah,
there's nothing.
They're all.
Like, there's nothing, bro. Like, I mean, once we got out of that macro, we came out of that thing bullish. That's like the slingshot for me. That's hey Hobbs, pack it up, my guy. hey, pack it up. You ain't getting long at the bottom? Go ahead, pack it up, bro. Look at all of this aggressive selling at the highs, though. I guess you need that selling to go short, but shit.
Nah, it's aggressive
selling.
To
continue to go long.
At the low, they absorb all the sellers and go even higher.
Just give me one break of structure. Just one. That's all I'm asking for. Is that too much to ask? Not today, sir. Hey, yeah. I take your funky ass time, but I'm not shorting this shit early. I will fucking wait. You got me fucked up. I seen this movie, bro. Nah, it don't hurt me. It would hurt me if I wasn't up on a day, but I'm green on the day. Like, I mean, do I want the short to come? Yeah. Am I like sweating it if I don't catch it? Nah, not really.
Man,
every single seller
Microsoft
is just getting absorbed. It's crazy, bro.
Why does TradeAway have these TradingView have these dumbass issues?
It's not one fucking red candle on the day on the 15-minute chart, bro.
Apex probably saved me money today with their issues. That's one way to look at it, I guess.
Yo, that's funny. He said, yo, you kept me out of the market. Finally, you saved me some money. Like, that's probably true.
Yeah, people in Top Step Discord going crazy right now.
They laughing at Apex, or they going crazy?
No. TradingView's down for them too. Top Step TradingView's down as well.
Oh shit!
Yeah,
and this shit going straight up today. That's why motherfuckers is like, bro.
Yeah.
This shit going straight up today. They probably losing their fucking mind right now.
Yeah, one dude said, damn, TDB turn to miss out on today's move. Damn.
Yeah, bro. A dramatic turn of events.
He said, "I literally have to play demo because of this TradeAway mess." And this is all on this is all on Top Step. This is people talking from Top Step. Yeah. It's not Apex though, JH, but it's TradeAway itself. We've made that. I think it just sucks because in light of all of Apex's issues that they've been having, you know, it just makes it worse. It makes it worse for them, you know. Not that too, but I'm saying though, like it sucks because in this case we all jump down Apex's throat when really like it's actually TradeAway as having the issue and not Apex.
It's not TradeAway. I'm trading in my live account right now. It's not TradeAway. What do you mean just the license between the two?
Yeah, it's TradeAway. TradeAway has a problem with the prop firms right now. It's not. It might not be. Okay. It might not be like TradeAway for anybody who has their own money in there. But people on top of it are also
okay. Time to get focused, baby. Come on down. Come on. Break some structure. Break something, Justin. No, I need you to get back. I need you to get back into the game, bro. Fuck that prop firm shit. Come on. We finally got a seller.
I've been waiting for this shit to break down for a minute now. We're finally getting this selling.
It did. Yeah. Huh? What you say, Chicago? Nah, bro, we going down. We going all the way back down, baby. All the way back down. Nobody has touched midnight price tonight. Is that not weird to anybody? Like, the market has not returned to midnight on no fucking platform. I mean, on no instrument. I think this could be the short of the fucking century. That's what I think.
I mean, stranger things have
happened. I think this short about to be fucking epic, is what I think.
We're finally coming down.
Anybody catch it? Nobody? Valdez?
Valdez, I think, is in. I'm looking for this to retrace back up now that we have some strong selling.
Nobody caught it?
We know you're in the shorts, Hobbs.
What? What are you talking about? I was simply concerned whether or not anybody on the squad caught the shorts. That's all.
I think Valdez got in at the low of that candle, though. Valdez, didn't you get in shorts?
I was in. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting to see what happens here. Let's just say that. Nah, fuck that meeting, bro. Hey, Valdez, have you seen that Netflix show? What's that shit? Supercell? It's a Netflix show called Supercell. Man, that shit's so good. Bro, that shit's so good, bro. Like, it's only like 6 episodes. Yeah, we finished. Oh, my wife finished it like a while ago, but yeah, that shit's good, bro. It's like British, but like the accents are dope. I love those British people accents. Uh-oh. The Dow is coming down, baby. Right at the top of that supply zone. Right on time. Ain't that some shit? Ain't that some shit? Ain't that some shit? Let's go, squad. Squad. All right, so previous day high tap is right here if you're short the NASDAQ, so be careful. We could get a violent bounce right here on the NASDAQ, but let's see if it lasts. Let's see if they push it straight down. Hey, man, dump it. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm glad to see that growth because we talked about that area multiple times this weekend, so that's dope. Good. And you didn't hesitate. You know what I mean? Like you didn't hesitate. So that's what's up. And that's where you want to be. You don't want to hesitate. Yeah. Yeah, because if you never do it, you're never gonna know, right? But in the meantime, step y'all fucking game up. You feel me? Oh my god! Yo, check the chat. Check the chat. I'm dog walking this shit. Bring that ass here, boy.
Yeah.
Come here. Come here.
Oh God, fuck.
My target. I moved my target up to 683. I'm short 792.5. I'm looking for 683.75. straight through there for 428 ticks. I'm up 250 ticks. I'm gonna go ahead and lock in 1,000. Let's lock in 50% of the position here, so I can hold the rest. I'll buy back 50%. Locked in half of the position right there. The rest is in profit. Can't lose on the trade. Gotta be careful here because the market is looking like it wants to bounce off previous day high. We're up $1,000 on the day in this combine account. I'll take that, and I'm willing to float the profits to try to catch my profit target because I think the market has an opportunity to come all the way back down to the bottom of this range. And that's settlement price and midnight price back down to 519. So I'm comfortable holding these runners down to 519. So that's how I'm going to manage this. Because my settlement price on Top Step X is different than what it actually is. So that's how I'm going to manage it. But I've already taken 50% of the position. I got that loss back. And I'm up 1K on the day on this combine account. So, good. And you're looking at those are your targets.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Okay, gotcha. Okay. Yeah, anytime we sit down here like this, I'm just gonna, you know what? I'm gonna take this whole position off because this is the first time we got out. This is the first time we dropped, which means this is probably the scalp. So I'm gonna get out of the entire position, and I'm gonna wait till we sweep that high. If we sweep that high, then I'll take another short into 822. So I just took the whole position off, up 1,400 on the day, and the only reason is because the sequence that's printing right now leads me to believe that the market's probably not going to drop from here. It might come back and sweep the high. And I didn't want to give back too many profits right there. So part of it was P&L driven. Part of it was just, hey, make sure you take something. But now I'm just like, you know what? I'll take this off for a scalp. And then if the market wants to go further down, I'm cool with that as well. But I mean, the entry was so nice. I got 790. I got 70 handles out of that. I'm not going to be upset with that at all. At all. Yeah. Yep.
So we're coming down even more.
Yeah, looks good. And it was bothering me because the tape was frozen, so I couldn't see what the market was doing either. And I was like, I just got to make a decision based off the candlestick. So, all right, I'm done for the day, guys. I'll log those away. I'll post the trades as well as the loss, the win and the losses. Got to stay focused, man. Got to stay locked in. You know what I mean? You just got to.
Oh, I wasn't gonna. I wasn't gonna short that anyway till we broke down. So I didn't have confirmation up there. No area.
I wasn't
no
talking to you, Jay. I wasn't talking about you. I was no. That wasn't a shot at you, bro.
Nah, I was perfectly fine.
I wasn't gonna shut down. I'm like, bro, relax. I wasn't even talking to you.
I'm perfectly cool with this sell off.
Yeah, I knew the sellers were here. Just wanted to catch them off guard. And once I saw it on the 30-second, I was like, I'm in right now. All right, all done. Done for the day, guys. Shut it down. Go back to the lab. Let's go. And my profit target about to get smashed. 683 was the target. Let's see if it hits it. 683.75 was the target. From 790, that would have been another 100 handle move. I'm cool with that.
Man, the VIX is still pushing.
Oh shit! It hit 14. Yeah. If I would have saw that, it was just you ever like been in a trade, Jay, and like you see some shit like you like my tape froze, right? And I was like, fuck, man, like I don't know what to do right now. Like I really want to fucking, I don't know. It was just weird because I couldn't see the tape, like it just froze. And I was like, okay, I don't know what I want to do here, so I'm just gonna cut it. But
yeah,
keep trading. Done for the day. Don't need to take in everything else. I'm gonna lock out this combine. Big trading week on that one. Slowly working my way through these last few. Now we just gotta figure out what the fuck's going on with Apex.
Oh, we figured it out. It's Trade-Evade. It's Trade-Evade's fault.
I'm not the affiliate.
Oh no, that we do need to figure out. But I don't know what to do. I don't feel like bothering them because then they're just gonna be like, "Well, we're not gonna give you your bread," and I'm gonna be like, "Oh, you sons of bitches."
Facts. So. That's true. Damn, these buyers coming right back.
They're trying to stop them.
Thanks, iBomb. I want to see this high swept. So right when we came down, I want to see us sweep that high, and then I would look to short the market up there on the sweep of that high. So like coming back above 797. But because we built structure right here, I'd be cautious shorting this. I mean, I don't know. Is this that? Wait a minute. Is this that area? Did I get my alert?
This is a 5-minute demand zone right here.
I bet you my alert hit. It just happened so fast that I didn't even pay attention to it. Oh no, we're not there yet. We're almost there.
Because I got to go back up to get more sellers.
You got to go back up and take out all the fucking early sellers. I knew they wasn't going to go straight down. That's why I was so inclined to get out. I was like, nah, I'm getting out right now.
Oh, wait, you shorted the market?
Yeah, I think he got in on the second leg, but that's why I didn't want. That's why I wanted to get out of my position right there, Valdez, because just off my research and just reading the market, I know the market usually wants to sweep that high before we go lower, if we're gonna go lower. So I didn't want to get caught in that trap. I was like, let me just take my bread right now and then get out, and then re-enter if I can. Yeah, YM usually just goes straight down. Is YM still going down? Oh shit. YM came and said, no, we are not going down. Oh, Jesus. Wait, I'm glad you got out of that shit. It traded younger girl today. YM said,
oh, well,
YM's
YM's going back up?
Bro, YM. YM is still in souls right now. Like, yeah, YM is on fucking demon time right now. So we just broke the structure here on the 1 minute. I just switched accounts. I got another combine that could use some tender love and care. Let me get back to you. Let me look at the 1 minute here because I'm looking at the 5. So we broke the. So there's two things I'm looking for about this. I'm either looking for us to sweep this high or return back into. You see that low, that swing low at 1117, 1116 area? I'm looking at that low and the high of the day as my 50%. So I'm looking for price to trade back into either 783 or sweep the high at 796 with an aggressive liquidity sweep and immediately find sellers to short the market. Other than that, I'm gonna let these buyers just take back over.
Yeah, I love your plan, Hobbs. I love your plan.
Thanks, brother.
Such a great plan. Like, such a great plan, bro.
Is that Justin's plan? is that also your plan? Justin's like,
no, I'm long at the low.
Oh, you're like, yeah, Hobbs, that's a really great plan. I'll be up there to get the fuck out of my trade.
Yeah. We can make it back up there. That's great. That's great. I'm targeting 783, so we get back up there. I'm perfectly happy with that.
I was like, is that his plan or something? Like, why is he like? And then I should have known because he was like, wait, is YM sending? Is YM sending? Like, yes, YM sending. Good, because I'm this bitch long. Just be careful with these highs, Jay, because we're still in this downtrend, right?
I see these highs right here.
Yeah.
All right. That was some strong selling right there.
Yo, fuck, bro, they coming. And that would be the other area. Oh, Valdez, damn it, you're right, VD. Valdez, there's another potential because this was the previous low at 11:30, bro.
Disease.
Yeah, I know. I be calling him VD. But okay, right, this is the short. This might be the short here about this. I didn't realize that I skipped the structure. Yeah. That was my bad, bro. I completely skipped this structure.
I'm out here.
Yeah, I didn't. It mentally
I'm out right there. That selling is way too aggressive.
Good fucking short. Yeah, that's true. Because we got the gap, right? That would be the fair value gap. If we went back up, we would inverse that, right? Yeah. Okay. We should be rejecting this. Yeah, good call, Valdez. And that's a rejection of the previous day high. So now we're trading back below the rank, so we should be targeting the other end of the range. Because essentially, oh my God, if you look at my chessboard, we essentially just had a false breakout. of the top of the chessboard, which means we should be coming back to the bottom of the chessboard, targeting midnight price at 576. Yeah.
That's a double top right there.
That's a beautiful trade if it dumps from here. I think it's got really good potential. Just my tape is just acting so stupid right now. I don't like it. I don't want to reset it. Facts. I think that's a good invalidation point for sure. I think 575 could be in play if we fail here, because the VIX is starting to get on board with this move.
Oh, my stomach.
Yeah, but NQ looks weak up here. See what we do inside the next macro. I'm just looking at the fact that nobody has came down to take out midnight or London lows. I don't know if we're gonna save those for the day. I think they want the lows, man. I think they want those lows. Yeah, I would look out for us coming all the way back down to come to these midnight lows. Like I just refuse to believe that none of the 4 instruments are going to target the lows. I just refuse to believe that. I think this is a trap. Let's go. Let's go, Valdez. Print that shit.
Yeah, BD.
I hate Justin. Yeah, BD.
I passed the baton, you know what I'm saying? I got out. So you can shine, you know what I mean?
We know you wanted that shit all the way up.
I did.
I love your.
As soon as someone got aggressive, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get out.
Yeah, I think they want down. I think they want those lows, man. It just makes sense. We just had to wait for ES to get done with all that bullshit. I think we want 575, at least 575 and 522.
All right,
ooh, Valdez, let's go. But you know what that means? Message. Message. Send it. All right, I did switch accounts on another. I locked out the other combine, and now I'm on another combine printing with Valdez. So, I just got my alert. I'm not long on this shit now. Let's go, Valdez. Let's print, baby. Bringing this account back to life. This thing was down to 99K. Woo. All right. Trying to shoot for the home run here, but I'm more than willing to take profit, but we're looking aggressive. If the can stop,
man, you gonna turn off that alert?
Oh, you can hear that, Justin? My bad. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, brother. My bad. I forgot you could hear that shit. I can't hear it.
If I can hear it, that means we all heard it.
Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. I'm excited about this trade. I think we're about to completely invert this entire move. Because the target, like, I'm not going to say it has to, but the market very rarely does not come back to midnight at some fucking point. So, and we're in this range. This just lines up with everything that I expect the market to do is happening right now. So this feels really good. And the target is almost hit. Let's go, Valdez. Print, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Biggest move of the day so far. Wow. Yeah, I waited for that little pullback on the 5-minute and I took it. Just looking for a push down to 575. Just sweep midnight and we'll be done. One and done on this account so far. Come on, push. Get through this area right here. Looking really aggressive. I can't really see the tape though. It's driving me crazy. Yeah, if we can push through this, bro. They're inverting the fuck out of the 1 hour, bro. This is crazy. All right, I'm gonna take Yeah, the 1 hour looks nasty, but this is a very, very key area. So I'm going to take 80% of my contracts off here. Yeah, I'm gonna buy back 80% of my position right here. I'm out of 80% right there. And I'm looking to hold the last 2 micros into my target. Let's go. Fucking great trade. God damn. I'm fucking fire this week. Woo! Let's go. Let's go.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, it's Monday. Relax.
Yeah, you're right. Sorry. For me, it's been a whole week. I ain't fucking left these charts since Friday. Let's go. Great trade. Great trade. Way to get out at those lows right there. Great fucking exit. 80% taken. I'll set the rest in profit for about 20 bucks. Let's see if we can't ride this thing all the way down to profit target. Let's go. Oh, god damn. Is it fires coming in like that? My tape is skipping so aggressively.
Oh yeah, buyers are definitely coming back in.
Oh, Justin, you know what that means? That means Justin.
No, I'm not long this time. I'm not long this time.
Justin's like, yeah, they sure are odds. Go ahead and take that fucking profit, motherfucker. Don't worry, Jay. I only left 2 micros this time. You can't take my shit. Yeah, bro. All right, we just broke that high. I don't like that at all. We could be coming back into this structural low or this structural high. I'd be willing to risk about $38 to hold through. Nah, fuck that. Nah. Runners either print or they get taken off the table. I'm not gonna take no losses on the runner.
Damn, what is 5-minute candle? God damn.
All right. Okay. How many handles was that? 718 to we got out down at these lows. 718. All right, short 718 down to 665. Perfect. 53 handles. Nice. And holding runners. Let's go. What was your entry, buddies? Let me see. Valdez was determined to get that shit in before his meeting. He's like, I got a fucking meeting. Like that. We running this shit. Yeah, they coming. In queue. Well, that's why this purple box was important for me to cut 80%. I didn't want to hold my entire position through this area because I knew that this would be a key level for buyers to come back in at. And we're still in an uptrend. So I wanted to get out of the majority of my position down here for sure. In queue. This is, 52 handles. Oh, 50. Oh, beautiful. I love the 50% taps you got up there, Valdez. I just reading your shit. Good shot. Good shit. Did you take something off? Or are you holding the whole thing? I think you got muted. Okay, good. Gotcha.
This still actually looks good for the shorts, honestly.
I agree, Jay. I agree, but I'm just a fan of taking my profits nowadays. I'm just, give me 50 handles, bro. Nah. Yeah, 100%. Juicy responded to my tweet, dog, this what we do? I'm like, bruh, you don't even know. 70 and 50, we just warming up. Just stretching it out, you know? Lucky I ain't hold them shits for the top at 790. I wasn't feeling the holes today. Shorts, this rally, this little fucking rally up. This shit looks so weak looking back on it though. On the 1 minute, like this rally looks, oh my God, this shit looks fucking weak as shit. All right, holding the runners, 2 micros at 718.50. Looking for a push down to 575 and potentially lower. I think the market has an opportunity to really give all of this up. If it doesn't, we're just in 2 micros. I'm good with it. I'm good with it. No risk on the table. We're locking in 3 points on the runners. Trying to lock in a nice big move on these micros. Standing in the middle of the mall. It's gone. The alert, Hobbs. Damn, my bad. The alert hit hard. Yeah.
Yeah, that alert was out as hell.
When I heard the alert, I didn't even hear it. I just saw it on the screen. I was like, yeah, I'm not shorting this. I'm not longing this shit. Because again, understanding where we are, we're in this range, right? This is what we talked about in the pre-market plan. This was a failed breakout of the range. So once I recognized it, I took the first short at 790. Like I was short at the top. But because we're so strong, we've been so strong, I got that recency bias in my head. I took it off for 70 handles, which is a good trade. But then I saw the opportunity to re-enter on this structure here, right? So I got back in at 718 as we were breaking down through this structure. And then I just wrote it down for another, I don't know, 50 handles, right? Back down. And now I'm holding runners from 718. And now I'm targeting midnight price at 575. And then potentially settlement at 525 and then 5 or 448. So I can hold these things all day. As long as they want to go, I'm gonna hold them. So very similar to what we did last week on the long side. But I think the idea is just to get back into the low of the range. That's the goal for me.
Yeah, it looks like they want to go down to 650 potentially. There's a lot of liquidity down there. See, the market kind of gets pulled down to 650.
Okay. I'll watch that area when we get there. What is that on the structure? Oh, we're there now. Oh, that's the 5 minute. Okay, yeah, I like that. I just think we're gonna blow right by it because I think the market's still ranging. Yeah, I think we'll blow right by it. Yep. Just gotta be ready for him because that's why I was sitting back. I was just like, yeah, all right. I was like, I see this shit, but I'm looking to short this because this shit look weak as hell on the way up here. It's not like ES looks strong. NQ looked like ES was just holding his balls. Like, come on, man, we'll take you. Don't even worry about it. NQ was looking for a reason to dump. Well, its hand, I should say. NQ was just looking for a reason to come down. So we're coming for 525 in my opinion. Yeah, I think so too, Micaiah. I think so too. I think at least 575 is in play. The Dow Jones is going the complete opposite way. So if you're looking to short that thing, Godspeed. Remember
we also have Powell coming on here pretty soon as well.
Oh, I'm definitely
he's going to start
out of here.
Soon.
Yeah. See if we can't close this thing for another 100 handles here.
12.
That's, oh, fuck. No, it's 12.
Yeah, 12 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 12 o'clock. He's probably getting ready to talk like in 4 minutes.
That's why the market,
bro.
I
He's
think, is
gonna dump the market,
right?
Right? He's gonna dump it, right, fellas? Come on, man. Make me feel good about this. He cut his trade. You leave it? It's like, oh yeah, stop it. This is out. We can go now. Nah, F that, bro. I want midnight. It's the only one that's close to midnight. We have to return to midnight price, right? Anybody with me in the chat? We have to return them. Oh my goodness. What was that?
You don't have to do anything, but
shut up,
I
Justin.
guess.
You shut up right now. Just like, hey, do you want to believe that? Oh my God. We're about to do the thing though at 673. I really need 665 to break. Like I need that really badly. My tape is just,
I don't know.
It's not in a, like, it's at some conference or some shit. It's on the Forex thingy.
I'll check. Hold up. I'll check.
I'm not liking this, Valdez. Not liking this. These mofos to relax.
Oh, wait. So it's the Economic Club of Washington, D.C., but I guess they moved it back another 30 minutes. Initial release time was shifted 30 minutes later due to
that's
source
bad. That's bad for our trade. We want him to come across stage. We need the good morning statement from yeah, we need the good morning from Powell so we can drop this shit. Oh God, stop it, Tate. Stop
it. Get some help.
Oh. Bro, why am I all shorts today? I haven't taken any longs. That's a very, very bad sign. I don't like this. What the? Can y'all stop buying this shit, please? Yo, relax. Oh my goodness. ES. Take a chill pill. Come on, just hold this structure here. Get back down. Don't run my stop. Don't run my stop. Don't run my stop. Oh, this looks good on the 5 minute. I need you to stop it. Stop it right now.
Yeah, we came back and retested 50% of that wick and found buyers.
I hate Justin. Is that your way of telling us you're long right now?
No.
We did come back at 50% of that wick. That's why
I took a quick scalp short, but
at the low,
longs looking good though. Well, there was a well, so we came back up and retested. We came back up and retested support and resistance, and when we failed, I was like, all right, well, let me see if I can't get a quick scalp in here short to see if we're gonna break the low. And as soon as we couldn't break the low, I was like, yeah, no, I'm out.
As long as we don't take the high, I'm okay.
I think if we get above 703, I think it's gonna be.
Yeah, that's the high. That's the high.
Yeah.
That's what I don't want. I'm like, just stay down, relax. Come on, you can do it. All right, the Dow is rejecting this. This looks good. Okay, ES is rejecting this. This looks good. Come on, take us to 1210 and just drop this shit at 1210. That's all I want. Let my runners survive, bro. Let us free. Give us free. Did I say that live on YouTube? I said that. Come on, man. A big player selling retail, I don't know, just a thought. And with you with these shorts. Yeah, I mean, I'm in runners, so maybe I should have took everything off. Maybe. But I mean, I took 80%, so I'm cool with that. If we can get more out of it. I just hate when we slow down so much. Come on, Dow is coming down a little bit. Dow just needs to break the low. If ES can break the low, the NASDAQ is going to drop like a rock. Come on, drop. Drop for your boy. Drop. Melt it. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Melt. We just want to see, we came into this macro bullish, so we want to see us trade on the other side bearish down to just melt all of this shit. Just go here. We just want 575, bro. Like that's really all I want. I would be very, very happy if you just give me 130 points from here. Gold's starting to pull down. Come on, get below the low. Get below the low. We should have faked out a lot of buyers right here that wanted to potentially trade off this demand zone area here, not realizing that we're potentially in a range. So I'm hoping the market plays off that and takes it down. Come on, right here. Magnet. Where's the magnet emoji? Oh no. No. Wait. Oh, you know what? Well, I'm trying, bro. Like, the shit is lagging. You don't see this shit? Aggregating right now, market data. Can you keep up? You don't think I'm frustrated with this shit too right now today? I don't know what the fuck. First trade evade, now this bullshit. No. It's not me, bro. It's not me. No. It says aggregating. He's like, I don't need that bad house. You got any more of that Bookmap? You got any more of that? You got any more of that order flow? Oh shit. That's because he hold his whole position through this shit. He's like, bro, I need you to dump. I need you to fucking dump. Come on. Yeah, I feel you. All right, we need a drop on this thing. A drop. Come on. Bro, come on, bro. Like, just come to the target, bro. Come to the target. Come to daddy. Again, holding 20% of my position through this crapola right here. I'm hoping for a drop from 1210. First 575. I'll take one more contract off right there. And then I'll be looking for settlement at 523. But 80% of the position came off as soon as we hit this. And I'm glad I took it off. I can tell you that right now. I don't know what the fuck is going on with Bookmap, guys. I'm gonna try to close it in. It's not even responding.
I'm sharing mine right now, so if you guys want to watch.
Oh yeah, if you guys want to look at Justin's screen, I don't know what the fuck is going on with mine. I'm gonna try to quit it. Shut it down, come back. It's also really hot in my office, so let me open up a window or something. Let me open up a window now. Open up this door. Oh yeah, drop, motherfucker, drop. Okay. Just get below this wick, bro. Just do your job. Drop. There we go. You know what? You deserve a fucking cookie. You know what? I need you to be rewarded for your motherfucking your efforts. I appreciate you buyers for trying. Now we gotta take you. No. Drop further. Oh shit. No. The market is so freaking stressful. Oh, okay. I got way too many windows open. Yo, I got so many extra windows open. Close. Because of all my Trump coverage this weekend. All right, Discord's there. Everybody's good there. Close this tab and this tab. And then we're good here. And then simulation mode. I'm working to try to get it back up, guys. Justin should have us taken care of, though.
Yeah, it's up. Yeah.
Appreciate you, bro. All right. We survived the pullback so far. Now we just want the drop at 1210, right? We just want to see this thing trade out of the 1210 macro, push us down, let us hit our profit target at midnight. We know where the fuck you're going. Bring that ass here to 75, then to 23, and we'll be out of the trade. That's all we want. So far, we've managed it pretty well. We just don't want this to pop right the fuck back up. We want to see all of these buyers get absorbed and the market come all the way back down. Take out London lows, take out midnight price, and return back to the bottom of the range and everything will be like nothing happened. You know what? We'll be flat on the day. Like the market will be like, what? We weren't open today. Nothing happened. All right. Or it could just reverse here and, you know, take my little 2 micros back. All right. Bookmap is getting loaded. 6. Come on. Come on. You took some profit on that drop there, Mr. I just want the lows. Valdez. Okay, come on. We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes, and we drop. That's the thesis. Get that ass down in 2 minutes. I like you, bruh. I like y'all too. What's up, Elaine? And with you, the shorts. All that buying, see the baby, like, yeah. Yeah, I mean, the buying was just super weak. Like, it was just a slow crawl up. You know, that old saying, stair step up, elevator down. I haven't taken any long trades today, like 0. And that's rare for me. Trust me when I tell you that. Did ICT blow his Robin's Cup account? I don't know. I don't follow ICT. I like its concepts. I don't want to sound disrespectful. I like ICC's concept. Right. What the fuck? I expected to get back at Friday's close, but for now, I'm going to load some longs at 652. Oh, good. Where's your stop loss, sir? Where is that fucking stop loss? Prayer, kid. You better save your prayers. I'm just kidding, man. I don't know what the market's going to do. If I get stopped out, then I will re-enter at 618. Yeah, I like that thesis. But I'm betting that this next candle is going to take us down. That's my bet. I think this next candle at 1210 should be taking us to the other side. Right to midnight, baby. Come on. Right to midnight. Just one midnight. It's like you in a gambling casino. Be like, come on. Give me midnight, baby. Give me midnight. That's how I feel right now.
Yeah, we just filled that 650 orders. Popped right back up. But not really getting any new real buyers coming in. See what happens.
VIX is at 1406. We got the VIX on our side, Valdez. Come on, baby. I mean, ain't nobody listen to Justin. He a bull right now. I can hear it in his voice. Voice.
Nah, we're still coming down.
To listen to Justin right now. Drown him out. He tells us, yeah, you know, nope, I ain't trying to hear that shit. Come on. 575, 523. That's the target. Come on, baby. Come on. We just need that aggressive push down. Come on. Come on. Come on. Prayer kid, you saying your prayers yet? Where's that stop, bucko? Come on, don't bounce here. Push back down, push back down. We're up about 250 on these 2 micro runners, so looking real good to the downside. Come on, we need to break that low on this fucking. Don't do it. Come on, here we go. All right, come on. Yo, where's the big sellers? Oh, it's fucking Powell.
Nah, he hasn't started speaking yet.
He hasn't started yet? Maybe they're waiting to dump it until he shows up. Woo! Yo, Valdez catching a body over there. Let's go. Move out the fucking way. Let's go. Shop boys in the building tonight, baby. Let's go. Woo! Look, this is when you commit. Oh shit! This is when you commend yourself on managing the trade properly by taking. Look, Valdez, you commend yourself. Be like, yeah, see, I took the 80% off because I wanted to protect myself. And this is later, you'd be like, damn, if I'd have held the whole position, this shit would have been like 3K. Hey, man, I love it. I love the growth, baby. Let's grow. Let's print. Let's print. Ooh. Clean trading today, guys. Very, very clean. Very, very clean. what they say on that Wolf of, what was that, Wolf of Wall Street?
Yeah, Wolf of Wall Street. Yep.
I'm feeling right now, man. I just want to push right through, baby, right through London. Like my man said, just get through London, baby. Take us to midnight. You know, go, bro. Hey, baby, come on. It's right there. Just take us, go to your home. Put the ball in the hole. Come here. Bring that ass here, boy. Come on. We're in the range. Just go to midnight. Come on. It's right here, bro. Hey, look. Come to midnight price. Da, 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 da. Why? Why must you play these games? Oh, here comes Justin. It's about to get long. Fucking hate Justin right now. I know what he's thinking.
I'm just watching. I mean, we just continue to sell. Ain't much to do. We're below VWAP now.
Oh, goodness. Oh, come on. We still looking good. Come on, baby. Come on. Keep selling. Keep the pressure on. You got them right where you want them. Don't give up. Don't fucking give up. Come on. Come on. Should have took this in my live account. Fuck. Come on. Come down. Come to Papa. No. This is so painful to fucking sell off, man. Y'all wonder why I hate being a bear.
I mean,
15 minutes.
What do you mean
so
painful?
Good.
We've been selling pretty strong here.
No, it's just bouncy, right? Like when we rally, it's just so smooth, you know? Why are you yelling at me, Jay? I was just saying it just feels bouncy. 15 minute looks good though. Maybe because I was watching it on the 1 minute. That was my bad. It does look clean as hell on the 15 minute.
Yeah, you zoom out to the 5 minute, we're coming straight down.
Yeah, facts. You're right. I apologize. Did I just close my shit? My bad, y'all. I closed my StreamYard. Let me pull this back up. My apologies, team. Squad. I like humor, man. It's all good, man. I'm a damn fool, man. I can't just sit here and be quiet. It was just drive me crazy. Come on, tell this thing off. Go to midnight. 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 Go to bed. Go to bed. We just want 575. And maybe just a little settlement sprinkled on top. That's all I really want. You know? Somebody's got to do it. Might as well be you, NQ. You know? Yeah. Come on. I know it ain't gonna be the Dow. The Dow is like, bro, we are not going all the way back down. You got us fucked up. ES look like it might do it. ES is sold off. God dang. ES is down 30 points. Let's go. On three right
let's go, bud.
Bro, that is so beautiful. That is so fucking impressive, bro. I'm so proud of you, bro. So impressive, man. That is super impressive. And I love that. I love that, man. That's so awesome. All right, this is the 50% right here, Valdez. I think I'm gonna exit stage right here. I don't like what I'm seeing. All right, I'm done. All done. Chopped everything off on that aggressive seller. This is 50% of the previous high and previous low in the 15 minute. We look too strong for me. I'm out. I'm all out at 644. Yeah, I'm close. I'm out of everything right there. I'm done. All done. I'm all done.
Are you holding the runners? Hey.
Let's go. Hey man, sometimes you gotta do it, bro. You gotta do it. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show it.
Oh Lord.
It was just too slow, man. I wanted aggressive movement. Like anytime the shorts are slow, I'd be like, bro, I'm good. I forgot to take a screenshot, but I'll show the executions on this one. This is clean. 74 handles. Whew. Body bag in this market today. Body bag in this market. We earned the right to say that shit because we showed up on the weekends. You feel me? Oh, it's coming down lower. All right. Let this shit melt, baby. Let it melt. 74 handles on the runners. All out. Done for the day. All right, now we done. We done. Now I'm really done for the day. I don't want no more. AQ. Do account who this. That's what I'm put. Do account who this. 74.50 handles. Okay, now I'm done. Still think we see 575 through 523. So just couldn't stay. Let's go, Valdez. Get our level, Valdez. Go get our fucking money, bro. get my fucking money, man. He said, yeah, get the fuck out the way, Justin, with them goddamn loans. We know what you was thinking. Midnight, give us fucking midnight or give us free. Give us fucking midnight price. You can't fool us, market. We knew you where the fuck your black ass was going. Come on, give us 575. Let's go. Let's go about this. Print that shit. Print that shit. Up 28 points, no run now. Let's go. Let's go. No, we ain't running prayer, kid. You better start saying your prayer.
He set up 29 points.
Yeah, where that stop loss at, baby? Where that stop loss at? Jay played the patient game today. No, he took some trades. He just didn't enter. He didn't want to enter. He didn't get in at the top, and I don't think he saw the entry on the re-entry. So, oh, good. Let's go, prayer kid. You better had joined the short squad. I told you not to join that bid at 652. I'm like, bro, we're coming. One of these fucking instruments is going back to midnight. I don't know which one's gonna do it, but one of these motherfuckers is going back to midnight. And it looks like NQ wants to do it. We got 50 points left till midnight. We got a Discord member that's holding runners into midnight. I'm all out of everything. I made $350 on runners, $1,000 on one account, $1,500 on another account. Just trading combines today. I'm not gonna take the fundeds and the live accounts out until like Thursday or Friday, something like that. Something that I talked about with myself. You know what I mean? So aggressive buying came into the market down there at those lows. I knew that was 50% of this high and low. You couldn't do it? It's all good, bro. It's all good. Maybe it won't do it today. I just think it will. I think we're gonna look back on this and be like, this motherfucker. I just couldn't hold it, man. Like when I saw this level here, right? It was this high, this low right here, and we tapped it and we found buyers immediately. I was like, I'm out. I don't want it. I had this level marked on my chart, right? And I was like, this is a really good level to look for longs. And I just can't see myself holding past this level where we're not going to flush right through it. So I think I managed it well. Locked in another 74 handles. I mean, all in all, we're up over 300 handles on the day. Can't complain. That's a good day. Chop them up like a paper mache, baby. Bag them up. Get ready for the next day. Let's get back to the lab. I think that was a really good cut. It looks like the buyers are definitely coming in down here. You take these, Jay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I knew he was waiting. That's what I said about this. I said it might be time to go because Justin waiting in the bushes over there. Justin over here like, yeah, y'all better be looking to get the fuck out because now it looks like a stair step down, elevator back up. So
yeah, I'm up about 20 points right now on these longs.
Get it. Let's get it, Justin. Pass the mic, baby. Pass the P's like they used to do. Pass the P's like they used to do. Just gotta get above that high or it's still a step. Bro, I seen the green. Justin looked like he had green fucking contacts in his eyes, bro. He was so bullish. I was like, yo, I don't like the look on Justin's face right now. I need to get out of this trade right now. Okay, buyers step up. 1 a.m. candle buys. All right, let's go. Let's go, prayer kid.
Oh my! What Justin, it's got to be Powell.
Hey,
I don't know. I'm in at the low, so.
Thank you for the nice trade. Hey, anytime, Elaine. We give these out for free all day. We walk through price. We talk about price. And if you guys are interested in joining the Discord, like I said, it's a great community. It's cheap right now, but the better we get, the more profitable we become. We will start to raise the price. It's $15 per week. It's $40 per month. We educate all day long. We do market reviews twice a day. We do order flow breakdown. We break down macro time for you guys. We give you a pre-market plan. We teach you how to make a pre-market plan, right? Everything that I do up here, we teach it from the ground up in the market. Everything that Justin does in here, we teach it from the ground up, right? And Justin is fucking killing this shit. Screenshot. But the goal is to be better and better every single day, right? We're in here on Saturday. We're in here on Sunday, right? We're in here sun up, sun down, right? We're always discussing the market and we're always discussing ways to get better. We teach you market structure. There's ICT traders in here. One of the best freaking Asia and Tokyo traders I've ever seen. I mean, Asia and London traders I've ever seen is in the Discord, right? Like by far. Let's go, Justin. Dog Walk City. Let's go. You know, so we're just trying to grow. If you guys are interested in growing with us, it's $40 per month, $15 per week. So any lower from here, I would target Friday's close. Yeah, I think the market wants lower, but I do like the fact that we just changed character. But I think Justin needs to be careful here because this is usually where that scalp comes in and then we dump. And that's when we hit midnight. And when we flush midnight, boom, we pop back up. So I think 575, 523 is definitely still in play. But if I'm Justin, I'm fucking following this shit like a motherfucker because remember that's the first time we changed back above. We changed character, right? So I just be careful.
Yeah.
Now I'm holding buys from here to 20,850. I just think we range. I just as I see your thesis for the 800s. I just think that we stay in this range, right, until we get those tech earnings next week. That's one of the things I covered on the top-down analysis that only 30 people watch, but whatever. But I think we range. I think we stay in this range going into next week, right? Even though, especially since ES broke out and NQ just didn't want to come out of it. I think that's a clear-cut sign that NQ just doesn't have enough buying pressure yet. And I think that buying pressure will come from the tech sector, you know, going into earnings for next week, right? So.
Yeah, definitely got to be careful here.
Mm-hmm.
Man, this market flipped so quickly.
Bro, you all right? You all right? You come out good? Just go. Oh, shit. What you over there doing? Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. You was just kind of bobbing and weaving in the market. Were you trading during that slow ass uptrend though? Yeah. All right, Void, take it easy, man. Cheers. Yeah. Jay, ain't no reason to get out of this motherfucker, bro.
No, I'm holding.
Print that shit.
I'm holding.
Justin said, nah. Look at that triple bottom at the lows. Beautiful trade. Exit for the shorts and entry for Justin. Let's go, bro. Fucking growth, man. Oh, it's beautiful, man. What's your target, Jay?
It's about to be 150 points. I think we can get back up to.
Oh, he's
to-
definitely watching Bookmap. That's why he's so comfortable. I'm watching the Bookmap. I'm like, shit. Ain't no reason to cut this shit. This shit gone.
Yeah,
Hey, way to get out of the trade, bro.
First profit target's the 700s. I want to see what we do up
Jay.
there.
Let's go, Jay.
But we got to get above VWAP too. Well, we're already above VWAP
I was
on
about to
Trading
say
View,
shit. This is the
but-
50%. We should
Whoa.
be above. What?
My computer is frozen. Everything about my computer just froze for a second right there.
Well,
That
don't
was
freak out.
weird.
We're dumping. No, I'm just kidding.
No, I know we're not dumping. I can see the market, but that was weird. Nah, I knew we weren't dumping, but shut up.
Yeah, we gotta get him for that shit,
That
bro.
was the dude's
Yeah,
name.
that shit was not cool, bro. Yeah, that
Nah, I knew the market
Justin did
wasn't
it to us
dumping.
one time, bro. I promise you, he fucked us up one time, bro.
I did
was
not.
in a dope ass
oh.
trade, and it was there was a guy in here named Mayday. I don't know if Mayday's still in here, but he was in here, and the guy's name was Mayday, and we're all in the trade, and like we're at the high, and Justin's like, "Uh-oh, Mayday, 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 Mayday!"
I didn't say it like
Cut
that.
my trade.
I didn't
And
say
I'm
it
like,
that.
yo, what the fuck was that? He's like, no, I was saying good job, Mayday. I was like,
See, you could tell how they was exaggerating, how their feelings was involved, because I didn't say it 3 times. I was like,
Hey, man,
oh,
felt like it.
Mayday. And then they was like,
See
Mayday,
how calm
Mayday.
Justin sounded when he just said it that time? That's cap.
It's
Absolute
not cap.
cap.
It's not cap.
Absolute cap.
It's not. That's why you know they was tripping, because I said Mayday, and then they was like, Mayday, Mayday, let me get out. And I was like, nah, he was saying
Careful,
something, and I was
we just
like,
closed this gap at
responded.
65, and now we're looking like
We're kind of struggling right here to get above this VWAP price, but we'll see what happens. This was support.
if I'm betting, I'm
resistance,
betting on the Bulls. So fuck. If nothing else, you in the strongest direction you could possibly be in. So.
That's facts.
You know what I mean? Like in worst case scenario, hey, I'd be sweating if I was a Bear, but shit, you're in with the Bulls. Fucking send that shit.
Powell should be coming. The stuff from Powell should be releasing now. So, and I'm up about 40.
Is he like a prepared speech or something? Or?
I guess they said it was delayed by like 30 minutes. I'm gonna go to break even though. I'm up like more than a 3-1 right now.
Thanks. Good trade, brother.
Thank you. A lot of selling going on at these highs. A lot of selling.
Yeah, the tape looks pretty interesting up here. I still like your longs. I just think we might sweep that low one more time.
Ooh. Yeah, looks like we might come down here. We're consolidating.
I think market wants midnight price. Bring that ass. I mean,
They are selling aggressively right here, though.
That's good though.
Yeah, I know.
You want the tape to diverge here.
If buyers can hold this, though.
I think they
I
want
think they
the
want
liquidity
down.
down. That's why I said like this could potentially be that scalp, that first push out.
Yeah. Yeah, they are trying to sell this. They are trying to sell aggressively right here.
Yeah, this is strong. My bubbles are super big, like abnormally big. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know what the fuck's going on.
They're
inside that
really
bubble.
trying to sell this market right here.
Yeah, but the bubbles keep going up.
Well,
130 lots, 144 lots. I think this is a push out. I don't think this is a push up at all. I mean, push down at all.
yeah, that was a lot of selling right there. Like a ton of selling. Come on, Bulls. Come on, Bulls. Oh, you could trap all those bears, make them all stop
Mhm.
out. Come on.
I think this shit about to sit.
Come on, bulls. Come on, bulls. we got prayer over here saying a prayer that we go up, right? Because he's in long too.
Oh, is he? He says first target 679. I think it's good. I think that was the retest and all of that selling that failed to go lower. That's good. That's really good.
Yeah, we'll see. We still got to break this. If we break out, then yeah, because we'll stop out a lot of these bears. Oof. They're really trying to bring us down, though. They got no chill.
That's what you want. You want all that aggressive selling to be like yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Now everybody get stopped out. Everybody get cooked. Yeah, because think about how many people are still holding this shit from where me and Valdez got in, that are hoping that this thing dumps further down to like midnight price or, you know, just lower, breaking the low. They're all going to be trapped if the market can push back above 705.
Oh, here we go. Or no?
I couldn't hear you. My computer was like dragging. What'd you say?
Oh, great. Well, that's good because I was trying to see if I froze and then you froze.
Oh, I wasn't sure if it was me or you.
I think it was me. I think my computer just froze.
Yeah, I wasn't looking at your screen. I just heard your voice drag.
Yeah, no, my computer is definitely freezing because it just said my API just got reconnected on
tape.
Yeah, or well, on everything actually. On Top Step 2. Yeah. Marinette's acting stupid. Maybe it's trade debate. Maybe we're having trade debate problems, y'all.
Oh, here they come. Let's go, Jay. Let's go, Jay. Come on.
Don't want this to fail though.
Yeah, once Jay's done with this trade, we're gonna be done for the day, guys. That was a good trading session. I enjoyed it. It's almost 11:30. We're normally done by 11, so but there was just such nice setups. Once that rally got finished, it was really good setups. Really good setups today. All of them fit the trading plan too, so I'll be excited to do market review. Not look like an idiot.
They all push out. Standing at the middle of the mall. All right, here come these bullies.
Let's get it, baby.
See if we can't break above all this. Man, the market was like just had so much action and then just all slowed down to a damn halt. All right, get past the devil's number and go up higher. Okay, or get rejected at the devil's number. This is also yeah, this is strong resistance here as well. Yeah, it's acting like it.
Who's in control? Vic says the sellers are in control.
I think the sellers are in control too. I might not.
That is strong selling into these lows. Let's see if they can hold it. Yeah.
And they popped it up again, though.
Yeah, I was about to say, I think
I'm not gonna lie, my hands were on the trigger there, but we're still holding.
I think this is another divergence to go higher, to be honest.
It might be. Yeah, this consolidation, I don't know who's gonna win, but
That was strong selling ate up by those buyers. That was aggressive. Very, very aggressive. Very impressive too. How you guys doing over there, Bud and Trading Yoga Girl? Y'all got y'all little crew over there. Y'all quiet now. Y'all eating out there. Yo. This must be in between that. Yep, this is the time. Yep, nope, I don't put trades on in this. I just realized what time it was. Yeah, I just realized what time it was. I was like, yo, why are we not going anywhere? Then I looked up.
It's also
macros and I was like, nope.
It's also because Powell's talking too, so that's probably why the market's acting kind of stupid right now.
No, bro, the market acts stupid between fucking 12:15 and 1:10 every day.
Yeah,
every time, bro.
Acting extra stupid right now because there's a lot of volume coming into the market, and we're literally not moving.
Yeah, this is the no trade zone, right? This is the no zone right here, bro. Yeah. I just realized where we was at. I was like, where we at? I was like, oh my god, yeah, this is the no trade zone. I got a no trade clause for this area.
I mean, normally I do too, but since I'm already in the position before,
yeah, he's like, well, motherfucker, I'm already in the position, so
yeah, I'm already up. So I mean, I'm not gonna lose on this trade. It's just a matter of if we break out of this area or if we fail.
Like I would not start a new position here.
Not in this chop.
And you got in at the low, so it's like, fuck it, I can hold through lunch. I'm up. Anyway, guys, Jay, you good? Or you want to stick around?
Yeah.
All right, guys, it's late. We don't normally stream this late, so don't get used to it. What I will say is this was a very, very good stream. I do enjoy the different camera angles. I thought this was pretty cool. Something that I've just been trying out. Shout out to my son, Jay for putting me on. But I don't even know how many trades I took. I can't remember. But I took some really good trades today. Doesn't matter. I don't really do a trade count. I'm not trying to count how many trades. I don't give a shit. I was profitable. I took quality trades. I posted my wins. I posted my losses on Twitter, right? More importantly, I did what I trained to do, right? And that's what's important, right? Everything that we worked on this weekend, I produced it into the market. I have zero things that I want to be disappointed about in my trading today. So I'm excited about that. Ready to continue the journey, ready to get back on the charts later today for a market review. Again, if you guys are interested in joining the Discord link is in the description down below. It's $15 per week. It's $40 per month. If you guys are using Apex, please make sure you use that affiliate code that's scrolling across the bottom, even though I'm not sure if they're going to pay me this month, right? But use the affiliate code down below. In addition to that, if you also want to help out the channel, just hit the like and subscribe button. Come back and watch us tomorrow. We'll be here Monday through Friday, 5 days a week. Jay, you got anything?
Nope. I don't have anything. I think you covered everything. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Except for the trade.
I am. I'm trying to focus on what the hell is happening here.
Let's go. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for tapping into the Trader Shop. My name is T. Hobbs. That guy over there is Jay Seals. And we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.